Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good evening,
Audible.
sir.
Yes.
Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Yes. Good evening, everyone. Yeah. Just we'll wait for a couple of minutes. We'll start the session. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can you please clarify some doubts till then?
Yes, yes. We'll take your doubt. Don't worry. Just a minute. Okay.
Sir, it's a doubt clearing session or a open session?
It's an open session. Yeah. So don't worry. I will discuss. Just wait for 2 minutes. Okay. I'll give the overview of what we are going to do today. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Yep.
Yeah. Please mute yourself. Like I'm saying some noise here. Okay, so that's good. Hello everyone. I am Piyush Vairade. So I will be the course
Hello, sir.
instructor for this city course. Along with me, I have Satyanarayan sir and Sonam. So they are also course instructor for this course, and we'll be taking your live sessions, your doubts. Okay. And we are be having the student TV, which are the toppers of previous terms. So they will be helping you in the uh, daily live sessions, doubt clearing type of sessions, and also on the Google groups, right? So you have Google groups also. So there will be they will be helping you and clearing your doubts. So
Okay, sir.
can you all please lower your hand? And just I want to check how many of you are from qualifier round, qualifier group. So please raise your hand, like those who are from qualifier. Okay. Okay, great. So most of you are from qualifier only. So yeah, great. So first I will tell you about the city course. So this computational thinking course is a 12-week course. First, please lower your hand. Okay, I will take your doubt. Yeah, don't worry. So this competition thinking course is a 12-week course, and for a qualifier, you are the syllabus is only for first 4 week. Okay, from week that is week 1 to week 4,
Okay, sir.
and we'll be sharing the content with you,
Excuse
right?
me, sir.
Because I think we have already shared. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello.
Can you repeat, please?
Yes,
Hello,
man.
sir. Sir, can you
Yes,
repeat,
yes, yes.
please?
I will repeat. Yeah. Yes, yes. I will do. Yeah. So, yeah. Hello, I'm Piyush Vairade. I'm the course instructor for City Course. Along with me, I am Along with me, I have Satyanarayan sir and Sonam. So they all will be helping you. And we are also having student TAs. So they will be also helping you in the process, okay, for doubt clearing sessions. So we'll start with the introduction of the city course first. So it's a 12-week course. It's a foundation level course. But for a qualifier, we have the
Sir, your
content for only
voice is
first 4 weeks. That
breaking.
is from week 1 to 4.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
It's not lagging. It's for you. Sir voice is
Yeah, sir, it's good. It's good. It's good.
Okay.
Their voice is clear.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's clear now. No problem.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir,
great.
is this session for JEE based entry or not, sir? Is this session for a student for JEE based entry or not?
For JEE based entry, like you don't have to give the qualifier, right? You can directly, this is a foundation level course. And yes, it's qualifier foundation all. It's the first year course. So common session is this. Okay. So if you have taken city course, yeah, you can attend, not an issue. Because the content is same. Don't worry. Sorry.
Link is showing that capacity is full, not able to join.
Yeah, we have the limit of 300 students participant for this course. I will check with the operation team for the next session. Don't worry about it.
Good evening, sir. I'm not qualifier, so I have to attend this session or not?
No, I will come to that, just a minute. So this is a common session for qualifier as well as for foundation, basically for city course. So it's not like that it's a compulsory or mandatory session you have to attend. It's a supplementary thing, like we are providing the help from our side to clear your doubts or to take some concept and discuss in detail. And we have some couple of sessions like solve with us sessions where we will discussing some questions, right, along with that, and like we can solve in the sessions itself. So it's not something like mandatory or you have to give the attendance here. It's nothing like that. But if you have any doubt, you can join the session. You can ask your doubt, or if there are no doubt, then we'll come up with some few questions and we can discuss that questions. So that's the plan for these sessions. And we have 3 sessions in a week. First is on Monday, second is on Friday, and third is on Saturday. So Monday is 6 to 8. Friday is also 6 to 8, and Saturday is 4 to 6 p.m. Okay. So you can check your calendar. So all the live sessions are scheduled. Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
this, yes.
Our live sessions are only for doubt solving.
Yes. Basically, yes, technical doubt. If you have any technical doubt related to content, yeah, we'll be discussing that.
Okay, sir.
The content or the class will
Sir,
not be
please
taken in
start
the
the
live session,
session.
right?
No. Same thing. Like whatever the doubts we have, we are going to take and discuss that, and we are going to take some extra questions also from our side, just to like. This is the first session, not in this session, but in upcoming sessions we have something called Solve with Us Instructor. So in that we can discuss few questions, right?
Sir, will the content will be only shared by the YouTube?
Yes, it is live on YouTube.
Okay, sir. And the thing is, the sessions or the content will not be shared on live session, right? Only the doubt
No.
solving will be held in live session.
Yes, doubt solving or whatever we have planned, some basic overview, summary of the weeks, that will be enough. Okay.
Sir, but these are not coming for us mail, like it is coming for WhatsApp, and then there is no updates on the website, it seems. Like
No. In the portal you can see this is a live session. So live session is basically like we have 3 sessions. The first one is open session, that is you can ask your doubt regarding activity, practice, graded assignment if you have. Then we have something called Solve with Us Instructor session, right? So in that we'll be coming up with few questions, and along with us you can solve the questions, you can attempt the questions. So that is the part, okay? And
okay, sir.
in some cases, like we may take few examples or few concepts and discuss that, okay? So that is the thing.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. And
Sir,
yeah,
where
and
the assignment and all will be distributed?
sorry,
Sir, about the assignments and all, where it will be distributed?
assignments and all, like all assignments are already there on the portal, right? So if try to solve this assignment, activity, practice, graded. If you have any doubt, we have Google groups for that. We have this live session to discuss that. Okay, you can come to live session, you can join Google groups. So yeah, we can discuss that your doubt if you have any doubt. Okay.
Sir, how to join the Google group, sir?
Sir,
You already added in the Google group. You can check your email because like most of you are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, you've
Yeah.
also mentioned that there are toppers who clear our doubts through live session.
Yes, that
Have
will be
you-
starting from next week. So we'll schedule this in the calendar. Okay, don't worry.
Okay,
It's
sir,
not
thank you.
started yet, but yeah, from the 1st of October, yeah, that is from next week, we'll be starting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'm not able to
Sir, I
join the
just have a doubt,
announcement
sir.
group.
Just let me finish first. I will take your doubt one by one. You can raise your hand. Okay. So this is the first session. That's why I'm taking the operation doubt, but mostly the live session is for clearing the technical doubts. Okay. So from the next sessions, we'll be taking your technical doubts only. Like for others, you can post it on Google Groups and all those things. Right. So yeah, one by one, I will go first. So first one is Roshan. Yes, Roshan is there.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I have got in activity question, activity 1.1.
Okay,
Question
wait.
number-
Kindly wait for that. Let me take other question. Like technical questions, you can wait because once we started with technical part, we'll continue throughout the sessions, right? So that's like
And
Jayaraj,
there is
Rishikesh,
a
Sanj. Huh?
yes, sir. There is a statistic open session, sir, at 8 p.m. So
Which session?
statistics.
Oh, statistic. Yeah, we'll finish before that. Yeah, don't worry.
Yes, sir.
Kindly wait for that. Let me take other question. And
Sir,
please mute
I have
yourself. Yeah.
also,
Okay.
sir, I have also
Sir,
a candidate
please
doubt,
start
sir.
the session. We have also a session at 8 p.m.
Yeah. It's running only. I'm just taking your doubts. Yeah. So if you have any doubt, like what, like almost I have cleared. This is a qualifier and foundation course. About the session, I have also already mentioned. So apart from this, you have any doubt, apart from the technical doubts, anyone? Rishikesh, Sanj, Harsh, any doubt apart from technical doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, I can't able to solve my questions. मतलब मुझे तो बीच
Okay, don't worry. So technical doubts, yeah. You can watch the lectures. We have Google Groups for that. You can just post the screenshot of the question that you are facing difficulty. Other peers or like from TAs will be helping you in that. Okay. So
How to join Google group?
yes, please see. Just one by one. Yes.
How to join, sir, Google group?
Google Groups, we have sent the invite to everyone. Just check your email. Most of you are already joined. I can see lots of
Sir,
conversation going on.
sir, it's a WhatsApp group or what, sir?
Google Groups, not WhatsApp group. Okay.
Sir, Google group will invitation
Basically,
link has
most
been
of us
not been sent.
haven't got the link to get connected to this Google group and also.
No. On the portal itself, it is given. Just check the portal. Course introduction, all those things.
Yes, sir. In disclosure section, it says only the invitation link will let you join the group, but we didn't have got that link.
So
Sir,
that
I
discussion,
believe JNT
that
students
discuss
are
one thing is there. Sorry, sir. Once you open the course out there, like mathematics and this stats is there. After that, and below the inbox, that discuss one thing is there. So you are
Yes.
telling from there we can join.
Yes. You can check there.
But when we open that, it says we don't have access or something like that.
Okay, I will check. You can check. There are a few options. Calendar for this course.
Sir.
Announcement group is there, right? In the general instruction, important links, there is one section in the portal. You can just go through that. Okay. There's announcement group. Calendar for this course is there.
So is it necessary to join all the lessons? Because I won't be able to join all the lessons. I won't be able to join all
Sessions
the
are not
lessons.
sessions are not mandatory. It is just for your doubt clearing purpose.
Yeah,
It's
because
not
I
something.
won't be able to join all the lessons because I'm not from
Yes,
here. I'm not from India.
that is
That's why.
yes, that is fine. Not an issue.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
So, what is the question paper pattern for qualify?
For qualifier, yeah, we'll discuss that later. Like, but you can refer to previous question papers. So yeah, we'll come up with a pattern. Don't worry. Maybe in the next week we'll come up with a pattern.
So for the discuss page, it is asking for only for the invite access, and we haven't got invite access. Where to get that invite access? Right.
Okay, I will check with the operation team, okay, about this discussion group. But I can see many other students already joined, so yeah. If
Like
you
it's
have,
asking for login to your account. It's asking for login to your account. For what email account we have to log in? Like our personal or the email ID given by the IIT Madras?
no, if you are you a foundation level student?
Yes, sir. I am a foundation level
Yes,
student.
yes. So
JW.
if you no, then if you're foundation level student, then you can join the discourse. If you're a qualifier student, then there is a Google group for you. Okay.
Sir, but we haven't got the invite link for Discord.
Just check your email. You can check your spam folder. Okay.
For the foundation, I have Google groups, right?
Yeah, for no, not for foundation, for qualifier. Okay. For foundation also we have, but you can join the discourse also if you got IITM email ID, right?
Yes, sir. We have got, and the password we have given
to join
to that,
Discourse?
and it's asking for the access by the invite.
Okay.
Sir,
Maybe
how
you
to
can check
join the
your spam
Discourse?
folder whether you got or not. Discourse is not for everybody. Only those who have cleared the foundation qualifier previously, and those who are in the foundation level, and those who have got the IITM email ID. For them, only discourse is there. For all other students, those are from qualifier group. Those are giving the qualifier exam. For them, we have Google groups. Okay.
So what about J? So what about J
Sir,
student?
I am asking that how to join Discourse.
Maybe you can check your mail, or either you can write an email to
Sir,
support.
there's
Yeah.
no invite link in any spam or inbox
Sir-
folder in our mail.
Yeah,
for the
exactly.
Discourse.
Sir,
Okay,
I
okay.
already
I will
sent
discuss
an
that.
email to the support team about this invitation link, but I haven't received any response.
Okay, okay. Let me check.
Same
I
here,
will.
sir.
I will try to. I will inform
Sir,
them, and maybe we
only
can resend the things.
sir, only video
Yes.
lectures are enough, or do we have to attend this online lectures too?
No, video lectures, activity questions, practice, and grades. That will be enough. Okay. So whatever the content is there on the portal, that will be enough. This is for your doubt clearing sessions. Okay.
So then live class are only for those sessions, or will we have any teaching also here?
Yes, we can take one concept and we can teach that. So it depends on us. This is just a first session, so we are not discussing much. But yeah, in upcoming sessions you can expect that. Yeah, we can take some concepts. Yes.
Sir, I
Okay,
can't
sir. Thank you,
access
sir.
the data for
Sir,
the graded assignment. I can't
Just
see the
1
data.
minute. Yeah, yes, I will come to that. Just 1 minute. Okay, don't worry. I will go to portal and I will show you how to use that. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, we will get the recorded session of recorded lecture of this session, sir.
Yes, sir. It is live on YouTube. You will get that. You can check the calendar. I will add. Yeah.
Sir, is Discourse open for DAD students as well?
Yes, yes. That students also. Yeah.
I got some invite, but I'm not able to access the page of this course. It says page does not exist or it is private.
Okay, maybe we can take that doubt later. Please mute one by one, please.
Sir, discuss forum is not opening.
Okay, okay. Don't worry. I will take your such doubt regarding. Okay.
Sir,
So
how
all
the
the doubts
discourse,
regarding the discussion forum and discourse, we can take it later. Okay, don't worry.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. There is any bank credit option available to buy any laptop or paper?
Arey, don't ask such questions, please. This is a technical sessions. Don't ask such questions. We have a discussion forum, Google groups. You can ask there. Okay. Don't worry.
Sir, I am a JEE-based student, but I am not able to view courses on the website.
Sorry, not able to.
I am not able to view the courses on the website. I am a
Okay,
JEE-based student.
just a second. Let me share my screen. I will show you the portal. Okay. So that will be good.
So what is the difference between foundation and qualifier?
Foundation is basically for those who are already clear the qualifier round. Okay. So this is the first year. Foundation is the first year, and qualifier is just this is the entrance exam for entering this IITM degree, right? Once you are clear the qualifier, you can go for foundation level, or you can continue with the qualifier if you got like some criteria is there, right? If you clear the qualifier, all those things. Maybe we have already discussed this in the orientation session of the qualifier.
The one who have entered on the JEE based is not necessary to write the qualifier exam, right?
Yeah, you have quiz one, right? So quiz one qualifier is same. Syllabus is same, exam is same, only the for qualifier only first 4 weeks that is mandatory.
As your JEE based or at the foundation level. For the foundation level also, do we have to write the qualifier exam and then get into the course?
No, no, no. It's a quiz one for you. Can you all mute? Yeah. So, is my screen visible?
Where is this
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
visible.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Okay. Okay. So this is a your portal, qualifier portal. Okay. And this is a course introduction page. Here you can see the weekly content, week 1, week 2. Please mute. Yeah. I will mute everyone otherwise. Okay. So this is the qualifier portal. It's a course introduction. You can see about the course section. Then we have introductory video. You can go to the video, or else we have orientation session also. So I would suggest you to go to orientation session first. All your doubts, drawing, please don't draw. Harish, please. And then, yeah. So this introductory video is there. Just go through it. Okay. And then we have this common data set. So I will come afterward. Like first, let me discuss the thing, then we can discuss about the common data set, because you will be using this common data set for solving the questions from activity, practice, and graded. Okay. But before that, let me discuss about the general instruction and important links.
Sir, introductory video is important.
No, no, you can just
Can
go
I
through
skip?
it.
Sir,
Okay. So
can we skip this?
yes, it's up to you, but better to spend. It's just for 10 minutes.
Excuse me, sir.
There's a small request. Please mute
Let-
everybody.
Let me complete first, then I will take your doubts. Okay. So this is the general instruction important links page. Here you can see this is a click like for grading document. You can refer to this particular document to add the calendar in your of this particular course. You can just click here. This is the announcement group. So all the announcement will be sending in this particular group, like whatever we want to send, like via mail. So please join this if you are not already joined. There's a course playlist. It's a YouTube play link. Okay, you can directly watch the videos on YouTube also. But I will suggest you to go this particular structured format, right? Then this is a very important thing, orientation session for the course. Okay, if you just click on this, I hope this video available, right? It is CT and Intro to Python orientation session. So please watch that session. Like all your doubts will get cleared. Okay, if you watch this session. Then we have live session schedule. Then this is regarding the live session. Okay, so September videos and all those things. So all the things will be enabled. And then we have week 1, 2 content. So week 1 and week 2 already live. So this is the content we have to follow. This course orientation for city. Try to watch this session. Your most of the doubts will get clear regarding the qualifier, regarding the foundation. Okay, and then our lecture started, right? You can see click here for the doubts in the city. So it's a YouTube video. You can watch it first. Then we have this lecture content. That is lecture 1.1. We have a recorded lecture of professors. So just go through the lectures. Then after watching the lectures, you can just go to the activity questions. Then watch the lecture. Then go to activity questions. It depends on you. It depends on your time. Like first watch the lecture, then you can go for activity. We have tutorials also for support. And once you have gone through the content, you can see the practice assignment question here, right? So practice assignment 1. So this is you have to attempt this. Can please someone mute? Traffic is there, like some noise is coming. Okay. And this is the practice assignment and grade assignment question. So grade assignment is a mandatory part. You have to submit it. Okay. You cannot skip. If you skip it, you may not be eligible for the quiz 1. So best 2 out of first 3 weeks will be taken for your marking. Okay. So best 2 out of first 3. You can check the grading pattern also. So I will suggest you please submit a grade assignment. Try to do it. It's the main important component of this course, grade assignment part.
Sir, please mute all of them.
Yes, let me do that only. Otherwise.
Sir, before 4 October.
Yes.
Sir, before 4 October, we have to submit.
Yes, a deadline is there for each of the week. There is a different deadline. So yeah.
Sir,
Just
the
Sir,
common
when is the qualifier exam?
Please just wait. Okay, I am not able to understand anything what you are saying. Let me mute everyone.
Sir, can we use Google for solving graded assignments?
Just a minute. I don't have any options here.
Sir, this session is only for technical doubt. Hello.
Hello. Yeah, this is the first session. We'll be discussing the doubt. Yeah, don't worry.
Okay.
Sir, I tried
Sir,
to
can
solve
you-
the graded assignment question papers, but the score is not showing there.
No. I will discuss that. Okay. So once you look at tutorials and solve the activity questions. Okay, is it for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Your voice is.
Yes, sir, your voice is
Second, let me
breaking.
check.
Sir, your voice is lagging.
Okay, just a minute.
Sir, I have
Now,
personal doubt regarding assignment. Then I will from where I will get solution.
yes. Just a minute. Now I'm audible, right? Properly?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes, sir. Audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's clear.
So this is the portal. Watch the lectures, attempt the activity questions. Then main important component is practice and graded assignment. Okay.
No, then
Try to
whenever
just.
I have personal doubt, then I what will I do?
Can you wait a minute? I'm coming to that. Just a minute. Okay.
Okay.
So first try to practice and grade assignment. Okay.
Yeah.
Then you can see in couple of the questions you will be required to access the data set, right? So one thing is that you can click here to view the data set used for the particular entire course. So all the lecture data set is present here. Okay. So in some of the questions in graded assignment, you will be required to enter NAT value, that is numerical answer type. You may need to go through all the data sets. So all the data sets are already mentioned in this particular folder. And if you in some of the question you just require a template means just what are the columns are there, what are the values are there, right? So for that case you can just refer to this particular type of images, right? So here you can see like Olympics data set is there. We have a template for that, and not all the rows are visible. For that you can just refer to this particular folder. Okay, but most of your questions will get solved by looking at the templates only. Okay, and in exam also this template will be provided to you, so you can answer the
sir.
question looking at that. Okay, so this
Okay,
template you can and same thing is discussed in the lectures. Okay, these same cards you must have watched the lectures, like professor is using some cards and right, and discussing the
for data
concept.
set.
Yeah, so all the data sets are present, templates are there. So based on that you can solve any question on practice and grade assignment. Okay, so this is regarding how to solve the question, how to attempt the particular practice and graded assignment. And for each assignment we have, yes.
Sir, library data set is not, understanding by professor and video lecture.
Okay,
We have
I will-
not.
Sir,
come
how
to
we
that.
know the years and all details of the books
How
without
to
the
analyze
Google?
library?
Yes,
How
yes,
to
just a
analyze library data set is not available, sir, on playlist.
Okay, let me check. Let me discuss that. Okay.
Sir,
So here you can see.
that recording of this session.
Yes, it is live on YouTube. Okay.
I have a query regarding question number 6 and 7.
Just a minute. Let me complete this graded assignment part first. Then I will take your doubt. Okay.
Sir, in the graded assignment question number 9, how we know the correct details of the book without Googling or having the data set available?
Yes, let me discuss it. I'm coming to that only. So this is regarding the practice assignment. You have to solve the question. You can use this particular data set, and solutions are also available, right? Now here you can see about the graded assignment part. So you cannot discuss graded assignment during a live session before the deadline. So deadline is 10th of October. Sorry, 4th of October, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So before 4th of October, you have to submit your assignment. You can submit multiple times. The last submission will be considered as a final submission. Okay.
What if we don't submit, sir?
If you don't submit and if your scores are some like it will consider best 2 out of 3, then you will not be eligible for the exams. Like something is there, right? You can refer to the grading document for that.
Sir, I am at the foundation level, and do I want to attend the quizzes like the assignments that you have given?
Yes, yes. How will you clear the course then if you're not attempting the grade assignment? So we have criteria for end sem, right? You should get something like for best 9 out of 12, 11 weeks to get the marks. Okay. So refer to the grading document first. Everything is mentioned there. Grading document is mentioned in the first section, importance, general instruction and important links. You can just refer to that. Okay.
Sir,
Now
can I
regarding
ask a
the
small doubt?
just
Hello,
one
sir.
minute. Who is drawing
Okay,
this?
sir.
Don't draw. Okay. Okay, so this is important thing, graded assignment. You have to submit before the deadline, and you cannot discuss this. Someone else is drawing on the screen. I don't know how to stop this.
Sir, can you give the dates for all the quizzes that we have?
It's not clear.
Quiz 1 is on 29th of October.
So then quiz 2?
29th quiz 2 you can check.
3 December.
When is the
upcoming exam?
According to Google Calendar.
Sir, can we move to the
So
question?
what date you said? 29th of October?
29th of October, yeah. We have the quiz 1. It's qualifier round.
I see clear the
Sir,
quiz.
quiz one is qualifier exam, na?
Huh?
Sir,
Excuse me, sir.
excuse me,
Yes.
sir. Quiz
Sir, I
one
have
is
doubts
qualifier
on
exam,
the
na?
Okay,
subtypes.
just 1 minute.
Hello.
Hello, just 1 minute. Up till now, whatever I have discussed, any doubt regarding to that, like how to go about the course, not about the questions or any
Sir.
content, how to go about the course. Only those questions
Yeah,
I will
sir.
take first.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay.
Sir,
Sir,
Yes,
quiz one
Rishikesh.
is for
Yes, sir.
not
Sir,
it's not for JE based students, right?
No. Quiz 1, qualifier, both are same, but only difference is that you have to continue the course till week 12 for foundation level, and qualifier student, if they don't wish to continue, like quiz 1 is important. That's the only qualifier exam they have. Otherwise, they can
Thank you,
also
sir.
continue.
Sir, if we qualify
So
the qualifier exam, so we have to
today,
give the quiz
so
for
today
foundation level
JE based
quiz
students
one.
also have to give quiz one. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Anyone join IIT and DSA group?
Everyone are from that itself, right?
Hello.
Hello.
Ah,
Guys, it will be
hi,
better
hi.
for everyone
Hello.
to make a common
Hello.
group.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
This is
Hello.
Satyam, one of the course instructor. Maybe Piyush lost his network. Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I wanted
Yeah.
to ask a small doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, I am a JE-based student, but I am not able to view the courses. As if I'm clicking on my courses, the page is completely blank, sir.
So
I have
you-
mailed regarding this to the support team. They have replied as that you will be able to view that courses on 12th of today. But I'm still not able to view that, sir.
12th of today. 12th is the by 12 o'clock or what?
12 p.m. means
12 a.m.
today afternoon. Yeah,
Okay.
today afternoon.
Okay. Maybe say something. Maybe I'll inform them. So you better. I think you have the support team mail ID.
Yes, sir.
Once again, you mail them because already the timeline is over. So that you will get the access because you already qualifier because you are JEE student. You already qualifier. You
Okay.
directly enter into the foundation. Maybe you are not able to access your dashboard of courses. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Again, you ping them. Tomorrow we have again 4 to 6 session. By that time, maybe it will be resetting will be done. I think so.
Okay, sir.
Hello.
Okay. Thanks a lot.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Tell me.
Hello,
So
sir.
please one after
For
another. Please one
foundation
after
level
another.
quiz one is important.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, for foundation level quiz one is important or not?
Yes. Foundation level quiz one. All these things you have to finish up because even you are qualifier, you supposed to finish up that all quizzes, and you have to complete all of your practice and graded. Of course, practice is not any kind of evaluation marks, but even that if you practice and complete your graded assignments, So the total aggregate is calculated based on all of the quizzes and all of the all of the graded assignments.
Sir, is
So,
there
sir,
any
it is
extra
not
marks for
necessary
sir
to
to
do
do test paper?
Wait, one after another, please.
Sir, it's
Sir,
me,
is there any
Abhishek.
extra?
Sir, it is not important to do non-graded assignment.
Yeah, it is not graded assignment is only for practice, but it is a enhancement skills you get it to solve the graded one.
Hello,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Fine.
I
This
hope
is
you
Abhishek.
understand now.
Hello.
Now, maybe
Yes, sir.
40 minutes over, sir.
Hello, sir.
Can
Hello.
you please
Yeah, one after
start
another.
the
Hello.
One after
discussion?
another.
Sir, in this
Hello.
in this
Hello,
call,
sir. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, sir.
only 300 students are
Sir,
allowed.
mute all the participants.
So that's what I'm unable to do. Maybe I'm not the host of it. So one after another, please kindly cooperate. Huh?
Okay,
Uh,
sir,
hello?
is there any offline class available at diploma or BSc level, sir?
No offline class.
No off. Okay. Piyush has joined.
Hello. Yeah.
Fine. No offline class. Okay, Piyush, you carry on.
Yeah. So I will go one by one. Okay. Abhishek, Vaibhav, any question you have? Abhishek,
sir.
Vaibhav,
Hello.
any question? Yes, Abhishek, tell me.
Sir, I am a JEE-based student, and
Hmm.
you stated that today is quiz 1. So is it also for JEE-based students?
Today, no, 29th of October.
Okay.
It's quiz 1. Yeah, quiz 1 is for everyone. Quiz 1 and qualifier exam is same. For those who are giving qualifier, they have to attempt, and for foundation level also, you have to give the exams. Okay. So exams and graded
Okay.
assignments are mandatory part
So it's a
for
offline
everyone.
exam, right?
No, online exam. It's offline exam, but it's a TCS center. Yeah.
Okay.
You have to go to the TCS center. You have to give the exam. Yeah. It will be
Okay,
an
sir.
objective type exam, MCQ, MSQ, and NAT. Similar to a
Okay,
practice and graded assignment. Same questions, similar questions will be there, but pattern will be little different. Okay.
okay, sir.
Yeah. So yes, Vaibhav, you can lower your hand, Abhishek. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I wanted to ask about is there any mentorship thing which will be provided for us to guide us for further placement on all these procedures and all these curriculums?
Yes. In the diploma level will be provided that, so don't worry about that. Okay. So this session is not for that. Yeah, but don't worry about this. You can ask in the
And
group
sir, I
call
wanted
also.
to ask that about that announcement group, sir. When our request will be accepted and all these procedures will be accepted.
Okay, for foundation level, right? Or qualifier. You are from foundation qualifier.
Sir, I'm from foundation level JEE-based entry.
Okay. I will inform the operation team. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, Roshan. Yes, Roshan.
Yes,
Roshan
sir.
Rahat. Yeah, yes, Roshan. Yes.
Yes, sir. There is any blank paper or rough paper allowed in
Yes,
qualifier
don't
exam?
worry. They will provide. Like TCS will provide you. Yeah, don't worry about that.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Rahat.
Yes, sir. I have doubt regarding the questions of practice assignment. Question number 6 and 7.
Practice assignment question number 6 and 7.
Yes, I really didn't understand the solution that was provided. So, can you please?
Okay, so yeah, let me discuss like for the other question first. But once we started with practice and graded question, we can continue that. Okay. So Rahat, right?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Yeah. Nakshatra. Any doubt? You can lower your hand. Roshan, Rahat. Okay. Nakshatra, K Mitra, Shivanshu.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir. So the thing is, my doubt is, if the first quiz graded assignment, the deadline is given October 4th. So if I finish it before like October 1st itself, can I get the week 2 material after it, or do I have to wait till 4th?
No. Week 2 already released. See, every Friday we'll release the content, and next Sunday will be your deadline. Okay.
Okay.
Only for week 1 it is like that, but like for 4th of October, but this is the pattern we follow. Friday will release the content. So today we already released week 2. and the deadline is next Sunday. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, and all these announcement groups and the discussion forum, I'm not able to join any of them. So is it like that for everyone or is it only me?
Okay, now some of you already joined the groups. Yeah, but I will again tell the operation team to send the invite. Okay. Maybe you
Yes,
can
sir.
check your spam folder first. But I will
Okay.
tell the operation team to send the invite again to everyone.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Shivansh.
Sir, I have a doubt regarding the question number 6 and 7 in the assignments.
Okay. Okay. So okay, assignment that will take after it.
Sir,
Divya,
sir, after how much time?
just let me complete this first. Yeah. Divyanga,
Okay,
Sanj,
sir.
Sir, I have doubt regarding
you are muted. Yes. Yes,
Good evening,
Divyang.
sir.
Good evening. Yeah.
Sir, it's my very first class. In the morning, there was a class I was unable to join as I was on in my college in the morning, so I was unable to join that class. So how I will access that class?
You can watch the recording on YouTube. You can follow the IITM Madras BS YouTube channel. All the recordings will be there. Okay.
And I have another question. When did this course started? As I was not clarified. I tried to call IIT Madras, but there was no response.
No, 20 seconds. So already deadlines are not over yet. Like, so you can just attempt the deadline, like questions, not an issue. You can just go to the content and attempt the graded assignment. Okay.
Okay. Zoom
Before 4
classes
o'clock.
were also on 22.
No. This is the first class for city course.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
where we will get the assignments that we have to do?
Portal. You don't have access to portal. Just go to portal. All the lectures, assignment, everything is mentioned there.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Harsh, Swapnil, any doubt? Those who have doubt regarding the city course, they can only ask. Other courses, yeah, you can ask in the other sessions. This session is for city course only. Yes, Harsh.
Sir.
Yes, Swapnil. Yes.
Sir, my doubt is how to link courses to calendar.
You can directly go to the portal. You can see calendar to this course. Just click on that. You will redirect to calendar. You can just add. Okay. You
Okay,
can
sir.
try it out. Not an issue. Yeah. Harsh,
Sir, I
any
have
doubt?
Sir, I have doubt in practice assignment.
Okay, I will cover that. We'll go one by one. Yeah. So yeah, Shabana, Arpan. Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I have two doubts, particularly in practice assignments regarding flowcharts.
Okay. Okay, so just a second. Any doubt apart from practice and graded assignment? Anyone? They can unmute and ask. Apart from practice and graded.
Yes, sir. I have doubt in practice
Yes.
assignment.
I have doubt, sir.
No. Apart from practice and graded. Okay.
Yes,
Sir, so the students who came through JEE are we are considered as foundation students, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Those
Sir, and
opportunities,
for
don't worry about that. Just go through the content, watch the lectures, attempt the graded. Okay. As you go through the program, you will get to know more about this. Okay.
Sir, what is
sir,
the
Don't
like
worry about
now
it.
I
Sir, what is the
Hello,
fee
sir.
of the
Excuse me,
books
sir.
provided?
Just 1
I
minute.
have a
What
request,
is the
sir.
fee?
Already 1 hour given, actually already gone. So
Sir,
can you
in
please start
Yes.
the session, sir? Already
yes,
we have late.
Yes. Okay.
sir,
Sir,
in
Sir,
Google Group, sir,
excuse me,
how
sir.
to post doubt, sir. Whenever, sir, in Google Group, how to post doubt, sir. Whenever I posted doubt, then it's showing your message has been deleted, something like this, sir.
Okay. Maybe some operational thing. Don't worry about that. You can all the questions doubt in the operation team. You can mail to support team because we may not be able to help you in this case. Okay.
Sir, what
So
is
that's
the
the thing.
assignment?
Hello, sir.
Good evening,
Hello.
Sir, actually, sir,
Hello,
can
I
you
have.
tell
Can you
us
explain
how
us the
I posted
lecture
doubt
Just
pattern of
sir.
okay.
Sir,
Just a minute. Any question regarding apart from practice graded and about the city course only. Don't ask any other like discussion forum or qualifier.
Yes,
Everything
sir.
is
Yes,
done
sir.
there. Only regarding a
Sir,
city course, ask. Okay.
Sir, I have a question regarding
the
the questions
post
that I
pattern
can
of
get so that I
Hello,
can
sir.
practice for the CT exam.
Sir, I have doubt
And
on a
other
statement of
than
lecture.
the
Just a minute. Yes, Akshay. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, other than the questions provided in the my current course, is there any other book or question site, website, or something that you
No,
would
no.
like to
As of now,
suggest
we
so that?
don't have such things. But yeah, the course content is self-sufficient. Don't worry about it.
Okay, sir. I have a follow-up
Hello,
question,
sir.
sir, regarding
Just a
will
minute.
if I solve the mock test, will there be any extra points like 4 or 5
No,
points
nothing
if I
like that. Just go through the solve the practice and grade assignment. That's a mandatory part, graded assignment. And the qualified exam is on 29th October. So syllabus is week 1 to 4. That's it. Okay.
So,
So
sir,
apart
after
from that,
completing the 12th
Excuse
week,
me,
we will
sir.
be
Hello.
able to proceed
don't.
for
So
diploma,
can you
right?
explain us
We'll
to
take
the
the such doubt again
question pattern
afterward.
for city code?
Question pattern will release afterward. You don't need to know right now. Okay. Just focus on week 1 content first. Okay. All
Hello,
such doubt will take afterwards.
Hello, sir. I
So
have
after
doubt on a
passing
statement
the
from
Sir,
lecture.
I have a doubt.
Sir, please.
Hello, sir.
Okay. So that's it. I think it's more than a 1 hour. Like
Hello,
already
sir.
have.
I have doubt on a
Sir,
statement
I
from
have a
lecture.
doubt.
Sir.
Sir, I have doubt on J based entry. I go apply normal based entry.
Sir.
If J
Arre,
based entry foundation level, we
hello.
can do directly all.
Let me clear one thing. Please
This
don't ask any doubt regarding the operation team or qualifier or this is not the right place to ask. I may not able to answer the questions. We are the instructor for the CT course. We'll only take doubt regarding the CT course. That's it. Regarding the discussion forum, all the things operation things you can mail to support team because we may not be able to help you in that case. So only doubts regarding the CT course because whatever is required, I already informed, like I already mentioned about the course. So that will be enough. So only regarding city course you can ask, and that is for week 1 only. Okay, we have released the week 1. So this week 1 open session only. Other doubts I will not take. Okay.
Hello, sir. Hello. Excuse me, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have doubt on the statement from lecture.
From?
I have a doubt on one statement from lecture, sir.
Lecture. Okay. We'll
Yeah, sir.
discuss that. But now let me start the session. Okay.
Sir.
So we'll discuss one by one. Just a minute. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So is my screen visible? Presentation part. Okay. May not be visible. This week 1 is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I will just go through the overview of this particular week 1, whatever we have discussed in this week 1 lecture. Okay. So we have started with the variable like sir in the professor in the lectures, like for counting the scorecard, right? So what is variable here? So here you can see. Okay. So where is basically a symbol as who is writing that, sir? Vigneshwar. I already stopped all the settings, but I don't know. Don't write anything on the screen. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So this is the variable. So what is variable here? It is can be any symbol or any character also we can use as a variable. So represent and some unspecified unknown term, right? So like for example, we have discussed in the lecture for counting number of cards present in the scores data set. We have what we have done. We have who is doing annotation. For that, we have created a variable called count and just we have initialized to 0 and simply we are counting how many numbers of cards are there, right? So for example, if I want to take one more example, here we can say one container. Okay, we are having the cards in this particular container, or say suppose there is one container, or say this is bean. Okay, inside the bean we have storing, say for example, chocolates are there. Okay, so there are total 10 chocolates, out of which we have 5 Cadbury chocolate, 3 Perk chocolate, and say for example 2 Munch chocolate. Okay. So for counting how many chocolates are present inside the bean, I need to use some variable, right? I need to use something which I can store that particular value, whatever I have counted, right? So for that, what I can do, I can take any variable, any character or anything as a variable. So for example, in this case, I am using count. So I can start the counting from 0, right? If I want to count how many chocolates are present in the bin. So what I am doing, I am simply initializing the count equals to 0. So if I want to count how many chocolates are present inside the container, what I can do, I will take one chocolate, I will count it. Okay, I will another take one chocolate, I will count it, right? And there's one more container or a bin, you can say. I'm putting, once I have counted, okay, this is 1, I will inside this. This is 2, I will again put this. Okay, I will move this particular chocolate inside the another bin. So and every time whatever I am doing, I am just incrementing the value of this particular count. So for first chocolate, it is count plus 1. So count equals to count plus 1 we are doing, right? We are initializing the count equals to 0. So here right now the value of count is 0. Then at the moment we take out one chocolate, so initialize value of 0 will get converted into 1. So we are counting 1. So here we are saying, okay, who is doing the annotation here? Don't do it. I'm not able to put restriction on that also. How to stop the settings there? Yeah, please don't do the annotation, okay?
I guess someone from outside is in the class.
Okay. Okay, so every time what we are doing, we are taking one chocolate from a container and we are counting it, right? So in this way, we'll take one chocolate, okay, we'll count, we'll move this until what we do, until this particular bin is empty, okay? When the bin is empty, we'll stop the counting and final count will be reflected as our result, like how many chocolates are present, right? Yes, so that is basically a count, right? Now what is iteration? So what I am doing here, I am taking one chocolate, I am incrementing the count and putting in the another bin, right? For I am repeating this process for each and every object, each and every chocolate present in this particular bin. So that is basically a iteration, that is repetition of a particular process, or you can see to generate some particular outcomes, we can do, we can say it as a iteration, right? So here I am taking one chocolate, incrementing the value of count and then putting in a bin. So I am just iterating the this process again and again, right? So that's basically the iteration. Noise is coming. Can someone please mute? Right. So in the lecture also we have discussed that we saw every time we move cards from one pile to pile 2. So in this case, the chocolate, we are moving from pile 1 to pile 2. We are adding a one to variable, so we are counting, right? So this is nothing but the iteration only, right? So this is regarding the variable and iteration. Any doubt regarding variable and iteration? Anyone?
Please repeat about the iteration. Where we will get the notes of this?
Already present on the portal. Okay, you can just go through it. Summary of brief, like summary of week 1. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Please repeat one more time.
Yes,
Sir,
yes.
can you explain one more time about the iteration?
Yes, yes. So iteration is basically a repetition of process. So here what I am doing, I am taking one chocolate outside a bin. I'm counting it. I'm initializing the value. I'm storing it in a particular variable, and I'm just moving in this particular bin. So I took one chocolate. I increment the value of count to 1. That is 2. Then I will put in the bin. Right. So same process I am doing again and again to count the number of chocolates. Right. So that is
basically when we do a process repeated times. So it is called iteration.
Yes, until this particular bin is empty, right? Once this bin is empty, because we don't have any other chocolates or any other objects to take out, so in that case we can stop the iteration, right? So that is the condition until the bin is empty. So that is basically a iteration.
Yes, sir. So iteration means repetition of process. Sir, it
Yes.
means one by one or by any random manner. Sir.
So it depends on how you define it. So basically, it's one by one. The whole complete process is getting iterated, right? Yeah, we'll discuss this in the upcoming lectures. Don't worry. So that's regarding the iteration.
Okay.
Now about the filtering the process. So same example. Who is doing annotation? Don't do that. Okay. Say for example, same thing. Okay, I will write it down here. Same chocolates are present. This is bean 1 and this is bean 2. Okay. Now, what is filtering? Filtering basically we are applying some condition. Initially, what I am doing, I am simply taking the chocolate outside the bean and I'm just counting it, initializing to 0 variable. I'm storing the count in. I'm storing number of chocolates in this basically a variable. But what is filtering it is, suppose now I want number of Perk chocolate. Okay, so we have 2 Perks chocolate, right? So what I will do, I will take one chocolate first. I will see whether it belongs to Perk brand or not. If it is not, I will just keep moving in this particular bean. I will not increment the value of count. If this condition is satisfied, if my brand is equals to Perk, okay, in that case only I'm incrementing the value of count, right? Otherwise, I'm keep moving this is moving the entire this chocolate in another bean. That is bean number 2. Okay. Similarly, we are applying some particular condition here. Initially, what we are doing, we are simply counting the chocolates. But here we are checking the condition that the brand should be Perk. Okay. So in that case only we will increment the count value. Otherwise, we'll put in the particular pin. Okay. So that this is what filtering is. We are applying some specific condition, right? In this example, we are just applying one condition. Brand should be equal to Perk. Who is doing annotation? Yeah.
Riddhi Sharma, don't do that.
Yeah. So now example like what we have discussed in the lecture, if you want only count students from Chennai, so what we can put, location equals to Chennai. If this condition is satisfied, then only we can count the number of students, right? Otherwise, we can simply move it in another table or another bin, whatever the case that is given to us. So in this case, what I am saying, we have chocolates in this particular bin. We have 10 chocolates having of 3 different bands. So I want to count the number of chocolates belong to the brand Perk. So I'm taking one chocolate outside the bean. I'm checking whether this chocolate is belonging to Perk or not. If it is, then I'm incrementing the count. Otherwise, I'm moving this in the inside bean 2. So I'm keep doing this process again and again. So that's iteration, right? So I'm repeating the process again and again. I'm taking one more chocolates, seeing from which brand it is belong. If it is from Perk, I will again counting it. Otherwise, I will move it, right? So that's basically a filtering process, right? And what is multiple filtering, right? So, for example, if you want to find out number of female students from Chennai, so first in this case we applied condition from only location equals to Chennai, but here we are applying one more condition based on the gender. Okay, so what we can do, location equals to Chennai. Then we can use some operators. There is AND operator or OR operator, right? Now here what we want to find out number of female students from Chennai. So my location should be Chennai and my gender should be female. So AND gender equals to F. Okay, that is basically my condition. And when my condition gets satisfied, then only I can say, okay, so I will count the number of students based in from Chennai. Now, same thing we can apply here for our example. So what I am saying, we have 10 chocolates, out of which 7 belongs to Cadbury and 2 belongs to Perk, and say suppose 3 belongs to Munch. Okay, sorry, 5 belongs to Cadbury. Okay, and each chocolate is having the price of 5 rupees or 10 rupees. Right? Now what we want, I want the Perk chocolates having the price tag of 10 rupees. So initially in the case 1, what we have done, we have simply counted the number of chocolates. For that, we are simply taking the chocolates, we are initializing the value to 0 and simply we are incrementing the value of count. And then we are moving to bin. Now in the second case, what we are doing, we are applying one filtering condition. That is my brand must be equals to Perk, right? So we are, once that condition is satisfied, we are incrementing the value of count and we are again moving it in the bin 2. So that is basically my second condition. Now what I am saying, I want to apply 2 conditions. The first thing is my brand should be equals to Perk and my price tag should be 10 rupees. So I want a chocolate of a Perk having the 10 rupees price, right? So what I can do, I can say, okay, my brand equals to perk. So brand equals to perk and price equals to 10 rupees, right? Only then I will increment this particular count value. Okay. Suppose I have a chocolate, say for example, Munch, but its price is 10 rupees. So can I consider it as a my requirement? Can I increment the count there?
No,
If the
sir.
brand
No,
is
sir. No, sir.
because both the condition should satisfy, right? This is an AND operator.
Yes, sir, because
not an
there is
OR
an
operator.
operator. It's add
Yeah.
with and condition.
Yes. So for
Yes, sir.
AND, whenever you are using AND condition, please make sure
Both the
that both the
statements.
condition should be true. Okay. That is true and true.
If
That is
both
basically
true,
your true.
then gives and true.
Yeah. So that's the case. That is what multiple filtering is. We are applying multiple condition to apply like for filtering the process, right? In this case, the chocolates. In the case of OR, okay. In the case of OR,
If one is true, then
any one condition can
any
be true,
one
right?
of the condition must be satisfied.
Yes. So, but there is one thing. Suppose I want chocolates from a Perk or from a Munch, right? So can I use AND there? Brand equals to Perk and brand equals to Munch, or should I use?
Or should
Yeah. So can you tell me if I use? Yeah, brand cannot be both, right? If I take one chocolate, it is having Perk. So both the conditions cannot be satisfied at the same time, right?
Yes.
The chocolate can be Perk, either the chocolate can be Munch. It's not like that we have one more chocolate of Perk brand also it will get counted. No, we are considering one chocolate at a time, not all the chocolates, right? So for a particular chocolate, for a particular row, the two we cannot apply the same condition on the same attribute or column name, we can say, right? So brand cannot be Perk or Munch at the same time, right? So that's the case, and so here we have to use OR. So even if this case only the like brand is Perk, it will get counted. Or if a brand is Munch, then it will get counted, right? So that's the thing. Either of the condition must be true. This is regarding the OR operator, right? So any doubt up till now? We have discussed variable, we have discussed iteration, we have discussed filtering and multiple filtering.
No, sir.
No, sir, no any doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Sir, in multiple filtering, we can also use not operation.
Yes, we can use any operation, and or not. It depends.
Okay, sir.
Any logical operation you can do. But the thing is that the condition should get satisfied, right?
Can you repeat multiple?
Sorry,
Can you repeat filtering?
I'm not able to hear you.
Sir, we can use or and in Perk and Munch, sir.
Where?
When we use brand is equal to Perk or brand is equal to Munch, and we can also use and price is equal to 10.
Yes, we can apply
use or not,
multiple
sir.
condition. Yeah, or here and price equals to 10. So in this case, what we will get? I will get the chocolates either from Perk or from Munch, but the price is 10 rupees, right? The price is 10. That condition should be true. Here, any of the condition can be true. So in this case, if I apply, we have done the annotation here. I am not able to erase that also. Yeah, so we can apply as much condition we want. So brand equals to Perk or brand equals to Munch and price equals to 10 rupees. So this is AND, right? So this condition must be satisfied. So here we will get either a chocolate from Perk or Munch, but the price is 10 rupees. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's
Sir,
the thing.
in case of algorithm, we can identify whether it is AND operator or OR operator. But in case of flowchart, how will we identify it?
No. In the flow chart, I will come to that. We have to specify the condition, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So this is clear, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is regarding the flow chart. Now what is flow chart? It's just a pictorial representation of algorithm. So whatever we have discussed, we can just represent that in the form of flow chart, right? So it's basically a step-by-step diagrammatic representation using some defined shape boxes to solve the task. So we use rectangular box for any process or activity like set of operation that changes the value of data variable, right?
Yes, sir.
So like what are the inputs I can take in the rectangular box? Shall I like I can use, yeah, process means I can initialize the value of variable, right? I can use count equals to 0 here, right? To initialize the
Yes.
count.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now arrow is
Yes, sir.
basically the order of execution of the program steps.
Echo, I think.
Okay. Yeah. And the diamond is basically a decision. It is used to represent decision. It is determine whether the path direction of the program will take true or false. If suppose we have a equals to 2 and I am saying a greater than 3. Now this is, if it is
Hello,
false,
sir.
it will go like this. If it is true, it will go in this direction. Okay. Suppose the value of a is 2, but it is not greater than 3, right? So that's a false thing, right? So here, so it is false. So whatever the process we are following after this particular thing false, will follow that. But suppose my a value is 5, that in this case a is greater than 3. Then on this side it will be true, right? This condition is true. And in this side we'll follow whatever the process we have given. So that thing will follow. Okay. So it basically a decision point, you can say. So if it is true, then we'll do this thing. If it is false, then we'll do this thing, right? So that's the decision point we can say, and it is represented by a diamond shape.
Yes.
Now oval shape is basically a terminal. Whether we can start, I can just mention start here, or I can mention the end here. Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
it's just the termination condition. So any doubt regarding this flow chart?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
sir.
Hello, sir. Sir, repeat.
Hello.
Repeat the follow chat, sir.
Sir, please repeat again, sir.
Okay. For all or just any particular thing? So whatever I am discussing, it is already present inside the week 1 summary PDF. It is already present in the folder and on the portal. Just scroll it down in the week 1 content. You can find week 1 summary. So I'm discussing that only. Okay.
In the diamond box that is decision, there should be a condition. But we always put is this is a boy or a girl. It is not a condition, so why we put that?
Sorry.
In the decision box, we always write is she a boy or a girl. It is not a condition, and we call it as a condition. Why it is?
Now, if it is a boy or a girl, right? So if it is a boy, then we'll do this process. Specifically, I'm just checking whether our condition is true or false, right? Yes or no in this case. If it is yes, if my the particular student is boy, then we will follow this. We'll increment the count, like depending upon whatever the condition we are following after this. So it will be get done, right?
So can there
Excuse me,
be
sir.
more than 2 options for the
For
decision box?
calculation part, which kind of symbol we use in the flowchart, like increment or decrement?
Okay, so we are doing some operations on the basically on variable, right? So in that case, we have to use.
Maybe it's process.
Yes, rectangular box. Yeah.
Yes.
Excuse
We
me,
are
sir.
simply saying a count equals to say count plus 1. Okay. What if you want to count the number of
Count
students,
plus
right?
one. Yes.
The number of chocolates also you can use that. Yeah.
Excuse me, sir.
Hmm?
Sir, how we can represent our input and output, sir?
Input and output we have not discussed, but generally we represent by this parallelogram. So in this lecture we are not discussing that. Okay. This in this course.
Okay.
Maybe a later part we'll discuss, but not now.
Sir, in discussion, sir, in diamond box, we can mention the person is girl or boy, and then it condition will follow up.
Yeah, some decision is there. Yeah, we have to mention that. Yeah.
Okay.
So can we have more than 2 decisions in a decision box?
Yes, we can do that.
I will get these PDFs, sir.
It is there on the week 1 summary. Okay, I'm just taking from there only inside the week 1 content.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Same content, sir.
Same thing this there. Yeah. Okay. So here, whatever I have discussed, just one more thing. For example, I'm storing your information in a particular table. Okay. Suppose this is your name, this is your age, and say for example, this is your department. Okay. Now, whatever the value this particular attribute or column name can take, right? So we can constrain it by with the help of data types, right? So there are different types of data type. We have string, we have integer, we have character, right? We have Boolean data type also, right? So name, like if we say, okay, name can take only string values. Now age can take only integer values. So if I try to insert, say for example, Piyush or any string inside this particular column, it will throw an error, right? When we are discussing programming, so we'll discuss that. But as of now, just understood, like if we saying the data type of this particular column is, age is integer, so we cannot enter the other data types in this particular. It will throw an error, right? If you talk about the database or anything, because it will try to match with the data type of the particular variable, or you can say column.
Excuse
right?
me, sir.
Sir,
Yeah, yes.
sir,
But
why
sir,
age is integer, not natural number?
Sorry.
Sir, why age is integer, not
No,
natural
I'm
number?
saying data type. Yeah, natural number you can do that. Basically, you can put one more constant that it should be positive only, right?
Okay.
Yeah, you can do that. No an issue. I'm just taking one example. Yeah. So here are different data types. First one is Boolean. So Boolean is basically just true or false, right? True or false, yes or no, right? So this is the Boolean data type, has the two value, true or false. What happened? Yeah. Has two value, and we have some operations and an or, right? And the result type is Boolean. So we can do this particular operation. So true and true. What will be the output?
True.
True or true or false. True and false. Now tell me in each of the case.
First will be true, second will be true, third will be true, fourth
First
will be
true,
false.
second will be false.
Fourth will be false.
False, right? If any one condition is false, then the whole condition is false, right? So true, true.
Equal.
But the third is also one false, then why you put
No, true or false, right? So third one can be true or false, right? Anything. If it is false, then it will show it true or false. Yes, right. It is 1 plus 0. That is, if we talk about the Boolean algebra, that is basically a 1, right?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Sir, here what are you doing, sir? True, and
No, I am just comparing the Boolean thing.
Sir, can you repeat?
Yes, sir. This part can you repeat?
Yes, sir. Please repeat.
So what
that,
I'm
sir.
saying, true means in the case we have two conditions. For example, yeah, you can take this example. If the gender is equals to M and city equals to Chennai, right? So we use this operator as a equal to symbol, right? We are equal to, we are not assigning. This is assign value and this is comparison. We are just checking whether it is value is equal to this particular thing. This is we are assigning the value, right? This is assigning the value, and here it is equals to symbol, right? So whether the gender is equals to M and Chennai equals to city is equals to Chennai. If this condition is true and this condition is also true, then we can say the output only then we'll execute the next operation, that is true. So we'll execute the operation only when our condition is true, right? Now in this case, suppose my gender is F, right? Now this condition will become false because gender is not equals to M, but I am from Chennai, right? Then this is true and this is false. And false and true in this case, what will be the output? False only, right?
False.
So we will not execute whatever the conditions or whatever the statement present after this particular thing, because if my condition is true only then only I will proceed after that. If it is false, then I will not proceed, right? So both the condition must be true. Now here you can see we are using OR operator here, or any of the condition must be true. Okay.
Yes.
So previous thing, I think you got confused in true or false equals to true, I said, right? So here what I'm saying, any of the condition is true, then we'll proceed with the further statement, right?
Yes,
Even
sir,
if the gender is
understood.
M, but she's from Chennai, then we'll follow with the particular statement, right? Because any one of the condition is getting true. So that's the case. So that is about the Boolean data type. Now, when you talk about the integer data type having the range from this to this, right? From -3 to this the integer, but there are different sub data types also. We have whole number, we have different things, we have sequence and range, all those things, right? Now, if we are having the integer data type, so we can do only one of we can do following operations. Who is writing here? Manikan, don't write. Okay, in the next session I will put some restriction because I am not able to do that now. Yeah. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh?
What will be the answer in the case of true and true?
It's true always.
Okay.
True or true, right? So if any
Sir, in
condition
case
is
of
true
true
and
or
we
false?
have OR condition, it will be true. Yes.
Sir, in case of true or
In case of true and
false.
False.
no, true or false, it will be true. Any one condition is satisfied, then we are moving to a next condition. Na? Suppose my gender is M, but I am not from Chennai, I am from Mumbai. But still, this condition is true, right? This condition is false. I am from Mumbai. This
Yes,
condition
sir.
is false, but gender
Right.
is male, right? Then I will move to next statement. Whatever the statement is given or procedure is given, I will follow that, right? So that's the
Only
case.
false and false is false, right?
Yes. And true and false also false. Right here we have seen if the gender
In
is
case of
F,
and.
yeah. In the case of and, both the condition must be true. But in the case of or, either one condition must be true. Then only we'll proceed further. So that's the regarding Boolean
Yes,
data
sir.
type. Now what about integer data type? So integer it can be like minus infinity to infinity, anything, any number can be there. But what are the operations we can do? Here we can do plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We can also compare, right? It is greater than, less than, or it is equals to, right? Boolean data type. So I can also add 3 plus 2. I can also do 3 minus 2, right? But I also compare 3 greater than 2 or not. In this case, I will get true, right? I can also check 3 equal to 2 or not. In this case, I will get a false, right? So what are the operations we can perform with the integer data type? I guess either we can addition, add, subtract, or multiply anything, or we can do a comparison. For example, I have said, okay, let's consider age is an integer value. Now, if I want the name of a student having age greater than 18, then I can simply put condition age greater than 18, right? I am using here comparison operator, right? Here you can say I'm using comparison operator here to get the data of a student greater than age 18, right? So we can use comparison operator here also. But what if I want, okay, I want the average age of a student belongs to same CS department. Then in that case, what I have to do? I need to do addition of all the students' age based on the CS condition. That is where department equals to CS and condition will be like sum of all the ages. And right, so that thing we can do and divided by the number of students, right? Or simply we can take, if I want the summation of all the students who belongs to CS department, then simply we can do the addition. So what I am trying to say in short, for integer data type, we can either perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, right? And these are the comparison operator we can follow. Okay, so it will give us the either true or false output, and it will give us the integer as an output.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, so up till now, any doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
sir.
No, sir.
Yeah, okay. That's
Sir,
great.
can we compare marks?
Hello, sir.
Just 1 minute. Oh, can we compare? Or someone asked, can we
Sir,
compare?
marks in the marks data set.
Sir, I am audible.
Yes. Marks is basically an integer value, right? So we
But
can
sir,
compare.
there is a question in activity number 8.
Okay.
The question number 2.
I will discuss that after this. Okay, don't worry.
Oh,
Sir, I am audible.
Yes, you are audible. Yeah. Any
Yes,
doubt
sir.
from whatever I have
Yes,
discussed till now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a doubt in integer data type.
Okay.
Sir, can we perform divide operation on the?
Yes, you can perform. Suppose we have 3 like suppose first take 3, then divide by 2. So we'll get 1.5 as an answer. But if we want integer as an answer, what we can do, we can apply some condition. Okay, we'll only consider the quotient here, right? Not the remainder, all those things.
One.
In this case, only
One.
we will consider 1. Okay, so some conditions we can put, right? It depends on the use case. Yeah.
Sir, but for sequence symbol, we can't perform operations like addition, subtraction.
Yes, for sequence we cannot do. So there are some data types also of integer. I will discuss in the next slide. Here you can see. Okay.
There are different
Sir,
data
on
types.
character
and
data
that
type, I
is
have a
Boolean
doubt.
into integer.
Yes, we are going to discuss character data type now only. So we have discussed integer data type, right? So these are the operations we can perform. Now what about
Sir,
character
why
data
you
type?
use Boolean data type into integer data type?
Yes.
Why you use Boolean data type into integer data type while there are different type of data?
No, I am saying the output of this particular comparison will be Boolean. Okay. Right. So here you can see 19 greater than 18, right? Both are integer, but the output of this particular comparison operator will be Boolean, either true or false. Right. That's what I'm saying. The result type will be Boolean. In the case of 19 minus 18, 19 plus 18, 19 multiplied by 18, the output will be integer, right? These are the arithmetic operation. These are the logical operator. Okay.
Sir,
Output of this will be Boolean. Yes.
Sir, in Boolean, so there are two options, no? Either true or false.
Either true or false. Yes. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Either 19 is greater than 18, it is true or false, right? Only two things are there. Same thing for all the operators.
Yes,
Now, what about the data types? Okay, we have a range. Range is basically alphanumeric. Character data type. So we can use any integer. Say for example, A is my character data type from A to Z. Even I can use small. Sanch Verma, please don't write on the screen. We can use a lowercase also. We can use integer also. Like we can also use special characters also here, right? But we can only perform the operations that is Boolean operation that is only equal to sign. We can only check whether this, okay, say for example, name is my variable, or say gender is my variable. So I can only check whether gender is equals to M, whether its gender is equals to F. I cannot perform any arithmetic operation on this particular data type, right? You cannot do M plus F. You cannot compare M greater than F, right? This is not a valid operations. You can only perform the operations that is equals to equal to. Only you can check whether gender is equals to M, right? The output of this particular thing will be a Boolean. Hello? Yeah, please unmute yourself.
Unmute their mic.
भाई माइक बंद करो यार.
Hello? Who is?
Sir, it is from Satyakala.
Can you please mute? Can you please tell the name? I am not able to.
Someone is disturbing the class. Please mute their mic.
How you are able to access my screen? I don't understand.
Excuse me, sir. I think you should mute them.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah. Just a minute. How it is possible? Yeah.
मेरी है वो.
Okay, so like, so I think my screen was visible, like folder.
No, sir.
Not now, sir.
Explorer. No, previously it was visible.
Yes, sir.
File
Yes.
Explorer.
Connection is
Now it is not visible.
Something is wrong. Okay.
Screen is not visible.
Sir, your voice is not.
Voice is clear now, right?
Yes.
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 Okay. Now what I am asking, whether my file explorer was visible?
No, sir.
No,
It is not visible.
No, before
Not
stop.
visible, sir.
Before it is visible, sir.
Yes, sir, before it was
Visible, sir. Before, now not visible.
Okay, fine.
The board is not showing actually.
Okay. Okay, I think we have to put some restriction here because how we are able to access my files, right? I will check with the operation team what we can do here. Okay. Okay. So, okay, whatever I have
Use
discussed till now, that
Discord
is clear,
instead of
right?
this. Use Discord
Yes.
instead of
Yes,
this.
sir.
Use Discord instead of this.
No, no.
Discord have many features, sir.
Okay, we'll discuss with the team because it is not
Okay,
on our
fine.
end. Okay, don't worry. Yeah. Yeah. So whatever we have discussed till now, till data type. Okay. So if character data
I'm
type, that
unable
is
to
fine.
see the board.
No, I have stopped sharing now. But this one is clear, right?
Yes,
Sir, there
Yes, sir.
character data type
Okay.
and string data will remain in.
Can I ask something?
Yes. Just a second.
Yes,
So
sir.
we'll discuss this. We'll continue this concept clarification part in the next session. So I will take your doubt only because someone has access to my file. I don't know how, but yeah.
Sir, when
Okay,
will
you
be
will take. Yes.
when
Hello,
will
sir.
be next class?
Yes, tomorrow we have session 4 to 6. So we have discussed till data type. So we'll continue from that. Okay. So we'll don't worry about it.
Excuse
Yeah,
me, sir.
nothing much to explore, but
Sir.
already the slides are present in the PDF format. You can just go through it inside the week one, brief summary of week one. You can see it is present. Okay, you can just go through it.
Excuse
Sir,
me, sir.
can we ask doubts regarding
Yes,
questions now?
I
Hello.
will discuss now.
Sir,
I will
sir, you mentioned that character.
Sir, where PDF
Hello.
are present, sir?
just a minute.
Sir.
I will take one by one now. I will mute everyone and yeah. So yes, Arpan, any doubt?
Yes, sir. I have doubt in practice as well.
Okay. Let me share my screen. Which question?
So I have a doubt, sir.
No. Practice assignment. Which question? Okay. Yeah. Maybe. I need to share my screen. So yeah.
Hello.
Oh, hello. Yes.
Yes, sir. I am audible. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, my
Sir,
problem
practice assignment 1, question number 8. Hello.
Yes. Not able
Sir,
to.
answer my doubt in activity assignment question number 1. Activity assignment 9, question number 1.
Okay.
Can you explain list and records topic?
Yes. For it, I need to share my screen, but I don't think we have done the setting. I will check with the operation team regarding the settings because everyone is doing annotation on the screen and they are accessing my laptop. I don't know how, but if I share my screen, then you can, like, someone can access the other files also. That should not happen.
Sir, no, there's no one can access your laptop files. This is an option when you share screen in the Zoom to create annotations.
But I have stopped. I don't any other option to stop the annotation. I don't know how to do that. I am not getting the
from the
options.
group. That's the only thing we can
Sir,
you already
Yes,
warned them.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Sir, you
in
will
menu
get the
bar, there will be
option
a
when
share
you
screen option, sir.
start sharing the string. You get the option to share the notation or not.
Sir, in the menu bar, there will
yes,
be a share
yes.
screen option, green color.
Sir, can
Okay.
you
Click on it.
Okay, just a second. Share sound, optimize video, click. Okay, I will discuss with the technical team of operation team. Don't worry. So let me share my screen one again. Yeah. So which question? Practice assignment.
Question number 8, sir.
Okay.
Sir, activity assignment 9, question number 1.
Okay.
Question number 6 and 7, sir.
Yes, sir. 6 and 7.
Okay, for practice assignment, right?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Practice
And
assignment.
the question number 11 also.
Mention question number 9 also.
Okay.
6 and
So
7, sir.
here you need to access the data set, right? You need to
Yes, sir.
find out the value of
Question
A,
number
right?
7,
Yes,
please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
No,
You have
sir,
the
from
solution.
here we not get any data, sir.
The solution is already present.
Sir, in the
Question
graded
6 and
Yes, sir.
7,
But
sir.
actually, I am not
also there is
understanding
no
the
Already
solution.
you can understand how this argument is given.
Exactly, sir.
Okay. So this question number 6 and 7, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah. So here
Yes,
you
sir.
can see Sudoku is executing using scores data set. So in the portal, if you go, we have a scores data set. So if you just click here, data set. Okay. Yeah, here you can see scores data set, right? Here
Yes, sir.
you need to refer to this. Now, once you refer to that, what is the step 1? Arrange all the cards in single file called file 1. Okay, so it already arranged. Now we have two variables, which one? A and B. So we are initializing the value of A and B to 1000. Okay,
Yes,
so
sir.
here A equals to 1000, B equals to 1000, right? Now, if file 1 is empty, then stop the iteration. Okay, if there is no files in the file, then we can stop the iteration. But read the top card in the file 1. We are taking one card from the particular file. We are applying the condition. If mathematics marks less than A, then store the mathematics marks in A. Now,
Yes, sir.
if we take any card, say for example, let us consider this card. Okay, this card is visible to you?
Yes,
This
sir.
English card, yeah.
Yes, sir.
So mathematics marks
Yes,
is
sir.
62 in this case, right? So 62 is less than 1000, right?
All the marks are less than 1000, sir.
Yes, we can initialize the variable because marks will be out of 100 only, right?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the initializing will give, basically it will store the lesser value than that only. So in this case, our mathematics marks is 62, which is less than 1000. Then we will store mathematics marks in A. And what is the value of A here?
62.
1000.
62, right?
62.
No. If the mathematics mark is less than A, so 62 is less than 1000, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So my
62.
condition is true
1000.
here. Yeah, my condition is true.
1062.
No. Then store the
1000.
mathematics marks in A. So we are
Sir, can you explain this
assigning the
again?
value of. Yes. Can you please mute? Lots of noise is coming.
Okay, sir is explaining. Then also
Let
you
me
will.
explain. Yeah, first.
Yeah.
Mute everyone.
Someone is unmuting their mic,
Means
that's why I can't
it's
hear you.
store the
Yes.
lowest mark of mathematics.
Yeah. I will coming to that. Yeah. So someone is using TV or mobile. I don't know. Noise is coming. Mute all. That's it. Okay, let me explain. Then I will unmute everyone. So what we are doing here, if mathematics marks is greater than A, so first card is 62, right? So if marks is greater than A, then we are storing the marks in A. So the value of A will get changed to 62 now, right? Now if physics marks is greater than B, then store the physics marks in B, right? So basically we are taking one particular card from here and we are comparing mathematics and physics marks, that is 62 and 45. Now in this case, 45 is less than 1000. So we are storing the marks of this particular student in the B. So that is B equals to 45 now and A equals to 62, right? Now move the current card to another file, right? So same process we are doing again and again, right? Call file 2 and repeat from the step 3. So we are iterating over all the cards here. Now my next card is, let me Shashank. So Shashank is having mathematics 57, physics 54. So initially the value of mathematics is 62 and the physics 45. Now in this case, if you remember, our condition is mathematics less than A, right? So A value is 62 in this case previously. Now for this particular card, the mathematics value is 57. So 57 is less than 62, right? So my this condition is true. Now in this case, what will happen? I will store the specifically marks in A, that is 57. Now for this particular card, the marks of physics is 54, but our previous marks was 45. So previously the value of B is 45. Now this 45 is greater than 54. No, it is not true. So our condition is not true. Then we will not store the marks of physics in B. The value of B will be still the old value, that is 45. Right? We are not changing the value of physics because our condition is not satisfied here. So if we keep doing this process, so what A and G will get? Now tell me. I will unmute everyone. Just a second. If we follow this process continuously, just comparing one value from other, what value of A and
The
G
minimum,
will get?
the lowest
The
value.
minimum value
Least
of
value.
mathematics and
The lowest
physics.
value for the
Least value.
mathematics and
Yes, lowest value of mathematics and physics marks.
Yes,
So
sir.
mathematics value will get stored in A and physics marks will get stored in B, right?
B.
Got it,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So every time you need to check. So this is the practice assignment. So that's why we have given question like this, because you need to access all the 30. How many cards are there? 30, 50.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you need to go you need to check all the cards one by one. Okay.
Got it.
So this is how we process. So this question number 6 and 7. Maybe solution is same thing, na? Yeah. Maybe it
Yes,
was
yes, yes.
here. Yeah, but
Sir,
the same
sir,
thing. Huh?
if we get
Okay.
45 marks physics marks and then again we saw the pick the card and we again get 45 marks, then we will not change the value now because it is not less than
Yes.
45.
The condition must be true. So 45 less than 45? No. It is equal to 45. So this condition is
sir.
false. So we are not changing the value of B. We only change the value of B or A only when this condition is true, right?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
So yeah, if we take one more card and say, for example, physics marks is 46, but which is greater than this. So this condition is not true. So we'll not change any value. We'll keep it as it is, right? We'll move to a card in another bin. So we'll
Excuse
keep
me,
doing this
sir.
process and we'll get, yeah, let me complete. We keep doing this process step. So at finally what we will get the value of A and G, which is the less marks in mathematics and physics. So any doubt in this particular question? Those who have asked the doubt, 6 and 7, any, doubt is clear?
So how it will be the minimum mark?
Because we are
Cannot understand.
comparing each and every marks with the previous stored value, right? So initially my value of A was 57, right? But when I take my next card, it is 42. Now 42 is less than 57. I will again mute everyone.
Sir, I have a query,
Someone
sir.
is disturbing the class.
Sir, we
Yes.
have the variable A and B, and we initialize with 1000, right?
Yes.
Then that process changed to that first sequence number, that is 62, right?
Yes. Whatever the card is there, first card
So
is
it
there.
changed to
we store
1000
that value.
to 62, right?
67. Yeah. And the
67.
next card you will compare with 67, not with 1000. Okay.
Okay.
You are
Thank you.
comparing with 67, not with 1000. If suppose it's 45, now the value of A will be 45. Now in the step 3, we'll compare with 45, not with 67. Okay. So the value of A is getting changed for every
Okay.
iteration if this condition is true. Okay. If this condition is not true, if it is false, then value of A will be as it is, it will not get changed, right? So in this way, we'll get the less marks of mathematics and physics in A and B respectively.
Okay, sir. Understood.
Yeah.
Sir, in graded assignment, the same question is
Sir.
like question number 3. Can you just explain the question number
No,
3?
no. Graded assignment we cannot explain because deadline is not over yet. After 4th October, we can explain that question. So try to solve by your own. Graded assignment we
Sir,
cannot
we
do.
don't want the answer, just an short explanation.
Okay, I will. Which question number?
The question number 3.
Okay. Any other doubt from this practice assignment? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
The
no
question number
8,
11.
question number 8.
Question number 11 also.
Okay, wait. I have listened question number 8 and 11, right?
Yes,
Sir, 9 and
Also, sir.
Okay, let me
Question number
take
11, sir.
question number 8 first, and then we'll go back to 11. Okay. Okay. Now who asked this
Can
doubt?
leave.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, me.
Yeah. So those who don't have any doubt, they can leave. Yeah, not an issue. Yes. So what is your doubt here? The simple thing is you have to follow this particular step, right?
Yes, sir. I am unable to understand the question properly, and
Okay.
that's why I
So-
can't score the answer.
So this question is based on words data set. So every time, suppose if you are using words or Olympic or any data set, we have given the all the data set along with the templates to you. Okay, so you just need to access that. So for words, do we have words? Yeah, templates is there. Here you can see words, right? Words file is there. So here you can see. Yeah. So all the 64 words are mentioned in this particular table, and here it is a template, right? And detail is given in this. Okay. So this thing is clear,
Okay,
right?
sir.
Now,
Yes,
what
sir.
is the question? Arrange all the cards in a single pile. So let us consider this is my pile. Okay, this table. Now initialize the variable a and count to 0. So a equals to 0, count equals to 0. Now if pile 1
Yes,
is
sir.
empty, then stop the iteration. Okay. Hit the top
Yes,
card
sir.
in pile 1. Top card in pile 1 is basically this card, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. If the word is Monday and a equals to 0, then increment a. Okay. So word is
Okay,
Monday
sir.
here. No, it is it,
No,
right?
sir.
So my condition
Yes,
is
sir.
not getting satisfied. So I
Yes,
will not
sir.
increment the value of a. If the
Hmm.
word ends with full stop and a is greater than 0, then increment the count. Right? So we have initialized the value of a here, right? A equals to
Yes,
0.
sir.
Yeah. So words ends with full stop. So do we have any other word ending with full stop? Yes. Here you can see morning, full stop is
Morning.
there, right?
Morning.
Yes, sir.
And a is greater than, so here and symbol is there, right? But for our first card, word is not Monday, right? So we are not incrementing the value of a. Now word ending with full stop is not present. Also the value of a is not greater than 0. So we are not incrementing the count. If the word ends with full stop, then reinitialize a to 0. Okay. So for card
Okay,
1,
sir.
what I am getting, words is not Monday, right? So we'll not increase, and a equals to 0, right? So then increment a. But in this I will not increment because word is not Monday. So I will follow this step unless I will get the Monday. Okay. Even if I get anything before that, it was to open, because this condition is not satisfied. Na? Anyway, I
Yes,
cannot
sir.
increment the value of a. So unless and until I found Monday, I cannot increment the value of a. Right? The
Yes,
moment
sir.
I found Monday, word equals to Monday, this is my first condition getting satisfied. Now in that case, I will
Yes,
increment
sir.
the value of a. Right? Now,
Okay,
if we
sir.
follow this, what are the options now? Number of times word Monday has occurred? No. Number of sentences that have word Monday only once in it? No. Number of sentences that have at least one occurrence of word Monday. So if there is only at least one occurrence of Monday, then we'll start, right? So it is basically a sentence, right? So if
Yes,
word
sir.
ends with full stop, initialize to 0. A to 0. Yeah. So you have to go through all the steps, right? And then you can see. So there should be at least one Monday to start the initialize the value of a, right? To increment the value of a. Before that, the value of a will be 0 only, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And if suppose if we got Monday, then after that next word is morning, right? So ending with dot. So we are reinitialize the value of a to 0, right? So in
Okay,
this
sir.
case, we'll get number of sentences having at least one occurrence of Monday. So at least one Monday should be there to increment the value of a greater than. Otherwise, it will be 0 only, right? I think same description is there. A is increment only if the word is Monday, and if a equal to 0, then at the end of sentence, increment account if greater than 0. Yes, same thing is there.
Sir,
Now,
sir,
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 the
in
Monday is the
step
afternoon.
7, sir, in step 7 was not there. That is
here,
that in step, so if step 7 was not there, like reinitialize the value to 0, like if it is not mentioned, then it will be the total number of
Monday.
yes, sir, in the whole
Yes.
paragraph, no?
Number of times the word Monday has occurred, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, but we have
Sir,
one,
where
this
can I
case
see?
word ends with full stop, right?
Okay, got it.
Okay.
Yeah, so one more condition is there. If simply this word is equals to Monday, then incrementing the value of A, in that case only you are getting number of times the word Monday has occurred, right?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. So
Sir,
just
where
go through
can I
the
find this
description.
document, sir?
Inside the portal, everything is given. A practice assignment. Yeah.
Sir, activity assignment 9, sir, question
No,
number
let
Sir,
me
1.
practice
discuss first
assignment question
practice
number
assignment.
11.
Sir,
Yes,
Question number
graded
8
11.
is over.
assignment question number
Sir,
9.
can you describe the
Question number 11.
graded assignment question number 10?
No, we
Sir,
cannot
graded
discuss
assignment
graded
question.
assignment question before the deadline.
Sir,
That's the rule
not
of.
solution, but
Yes.
describe the question.
Let me take this question number 11, because many students ask this question. Okay. After that, I will go to grade assignment. Okay. So yeah, who asked this question? Question 11.
Sir, me.
Yeah. Okay. So what is your doubt here? Yeah. We have
Sir,
three.
I understand. Sorry.
Tell me what you understand from this.
Sir, I understand that A is greater than B. So, sir, I understand that condition C is greater than A and X is equal to A. So, it will store the smallest number. But when I'm going to that C is greater than A, no part, I'm getting confused in that part.
Okay.
The second half.
Okay. So first, we'll start with A greater than B, right? So let us take a value of A, B, C is 1, 2, 3. Okay. The value of A is greater than B. 1 is greater than B. No, right? So in this case, no. The value of C is greater than B. Yes, because 3 is greater than 2. In this case, yes. So the value of X will be B, that is 2. Right? Now, okay. So at the end of flow chart, what will be the, yeah, 3 distinct output. Yeah. So, okay, let us consider 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is fine. I'm audible,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The value of A is 1, value of B is 2, value of C is 3. Okay. Now let's start. A is greater than B? No. Right? So I will follow this particular condition. Whether C is greater than B? Yes, 3 is greater than 2. Then I will store the value of X to B. That is X equals to B. That is X equals to 2. So the X will represent the value of B in this case. Right? So what is the option? Largest among the ABC? No, we have 1, 2, 3, but the answer was 2. The smallest among the ABC? No, answer was 2. It is not 1. Mean of ABC? No. Second largest number among the ABC? Yes. Right? We have 1, 2, 3, and 2 was the second largest number among the, right? It's storing the
Yes,
second
sir.
largest number. Yeah. Now I have taken just one example. Now change in either way. Let's say the value of A is 10, value of B is 9, value of C is 8, right? So we are using in descending order first now. Okay. Now in this case, 10 is greater than 9, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So yes. So now we'll compare whether 8 is greater than 10. No.
No.
Right? So no. Then again I will compare whether 8 is greater than 9.
No.
No.
sir.
Then X equals to B. What is B? 9. So here
9.
also in this case I will get the second largest value, right? Second
Okay.
largest number. So in this way, just you have to consider a value of ABC. I have just considered in a particular sequence. You can consider any random number. Value of A is 1, value of B is 19, and value of C is 32. Anything you can consider. So you will always get the value of that is the second number among ABC. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's about the practice assignment. I will only discuss the doubt you have in graded assignment. I will not discuss because we cannot discuss the graded assignment solution. before the
One
deadline.
question.
Sir, graded
Sorry to
assignment
interrupt.
number 9.
Should we
Just a
complete
minute.
the not graded assignment before going for the graded
No,
assignment?
nothing like that. Yeah, it is up to you. But you have to mandatory submit a graded assignment. Okay.
Yeah,
Sir,
yeah. Okay.
graded
Before the
assignment
deadline.
question number 9.
Yeah, I will not discuss, but I will only give the hint because I cannot
Okay,
discuss
sir.
that. Yeah.
Sir,
So
first
here,
question number 3, please.
just let me discuss this 9 question first. The following
Sir.
information represent the added card in this question, na?
Yes,
9.
sir.
Yeah. So we have library data set. Now just go back to a data set. Library data set is there. Do we have library data set?
Yes, sir. Here it is.
Yeah, here you can see. Yes. So just go through it. Okay, we have this template: row number, name, author, genre, language, pages, publisher, year. Now, what you can infer from this particular image? the value of pages, the data type of pages is integer, the data type of year is integer, right? Row number is 0. It is in a particular sequence. The data type of name, author, language, genre is string, right? So you will get all this information by looking at this particular data set, right?
Yes, sir.
Now go back to the question. Now identify the represent new card in data set. Identify search line with respect to sanity of data. Now in this case, row number 30. So row
Sir,
number
I
30
have
is
doubt in the year because
sanity of data means
446 is
mistake.
also a year. How can we
Just-
know
just-
the correct or wrong?
just 1 minute. Sanity of data means, see, according to a given template, it should follow this template. It should not
Yes, sir.
violate my data types, right? So you have to correct choose the wrong options here. Aryan, please don't annotate, okay?
Mistake in
So-
which?
Yeah, in which line we have the mistake.
Yes.
So I cannot discuss this further because you can see.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
year is
Sir.
446, but it is
Question number
integer.
10,
But how
sir.
can we know it is
So
correct or
I
wrong?
cannot discuss that. You got it. What I
Sir,
want to
practice
say.
So how to use
number
this
10, sir.
dot?
Just a second.
Sir, graded assignment question number 10.
I think I stopped that mistakenly. Just a second.
Excuse
Let
me,
me
sir.
open that.
Sir,
Yes.
Sir, in
activity
the question
assignment,
number
sir,
9, which is
9B.
showed in graded assignment, are we supposed to find the ones where there is error or the
Yes,
ones
in
where
this-
which is right?
For sanity of data, you have to find out which line number is violating my data set, right? So you have to wrong option, wrong line you have to select.
For this, we have to
Sir.
compare with the library data set which has been given in the course, right?
Yes, library data set template. That's what I have shown here.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, as we
Sir,
know, as
please
we don't
discuss,
know the
sir.
correct year,
Yes,
how
yes,
can
just
we
a minute.
guess the wrong year?
Wait, just a minute. Let me share my screen again.
Sir, activity assignment 9.
Sir, practice
Question
assignment
one.
question number 10. Can
Yes,
you
yes.
sir?
Let 1 minute. Wait a minute. Wait
So
a
please,
minute.
can we go with the hand raising, guys?
Yeah, there are lots of hand. I think 13, 15 people. So yeah. First,
Question number 3, please.
yes. Wait a minute. Let me complete the question number.
Sir, question
11.
number 10.
Sir, I told you first.
We
Yes, sir.
cannot discuss the graded assignment question. That is for sure. Only if you have doubt in understanding the question,
Only
you can
describe
ask.
the
Yes, sir.
question, sir.
Just for understanding
Here,
purpose.
in year it is an integer form, but how we know exact year is correct or wrong? Is it okay if we guess a year and if it is in the integer and we put that as a correct answer?
Here you can see the data types are mentioned in the things, right? So you can easily understood that. I cannot discuss, otherwise it will be a direct solution only, right? So I
Okay,
think
sir.
you
So how
got
can we access these data types? Like where we have to go?
it is there on the portal. Everything is there on the portal. Just go.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me.
Sir,
Excuse me 1 second.
Sir, is it
Actually,
okay
will
if we use Google for
I will
graded
go.
assignment?
I will go. Just one by one.
excuse me, I am Satyakala. Only one question, please.
hello, excuse me, sir.
Just 1 minute. Satyakala, yes, just go ahead.
Yeah, actually, what is my doubt is what is the basic difference between the character and the strings, sir?
Character is basically like, for example, for gender data type we mention M or F, so it's single character, right? So
Yeah.
but if we mention the male in the double quotation, that will be a string.
Okay.
So characters can be anything in a single alphabet or combination of alphabet can be also character in this case, but only when we are not using double quotation. If I
See,
say
in the
M
string,
is
in the
yes,
string, we can operate a plus minus like that. We could not operate anything.
In
Only
the string
Boolean.
also you cannot. In the string also you cannot operate plus minus.
Okay, Boolean only. In the same
Only
type,
integer.
character also only Boolean.
Yes, only Boolean. So you
But
can
how
just
can
scroll down.
we differ by seeing the only that word or something? How can we differ whether it is a string or a character by reading
No.
the question?
For this thing, if you follow the lecture, like we are following, if
Yeah.
you mention some string in the double quotation, that will be considered as a string. If I mention M in the single quotation, that will be a character. Okay. The moment I
Okay,
mention
okay.
M in a single double quotation,
Sir,
that will be a string.
The character will
Doubt
always be
in
a single
practice
entity,
assignment
na?
question number 10, sir.
Yes, most of the time. But if you mention M-A in a single quotation, then you can also consider that. But yeah. See, for a data set, you can directly go to this thing. Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir.
Gender or character data type or Boolean data type?
Sir, question number
No,
3,
gender
please.
is basically a character data type. Boolean is basically a logical operator, output of logical operator. That is true or false, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Question
But
number 10,
gender
sir.
will come under
Sir,
Sir,
question
is it
number 3,
permissible
please.
to
if
use
it
the
is
Google for
Just
graded
just minute,
assignments?
just minute. I don't
Sir,
understand what is
activity
Google.
assignment
Sir,
9, sir. Sir, please take activity assignment 9,
Yes,
question
yes.
number 1.
Just wait a minute. Someone is asking regarding Google Cloud. I don't understand. Can you please repeat what
Sir,
is Google?
sir, is it permissible to use the Google for graded assignments?
Yes, you can use, not an issue, but you will not get the answer, but still you can use.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Yeah.
sir, I didn't get
in
how
consider
MA is a
Boolean as gender
character.
type.
Character is always a single entity now. So how
Single,
I
yes.
didn't get. So
No,
you
no, we are
you
mentioning single attribute. If I'm mentioning MA in a single quotation, then we can consider this as a character. Okay. Maybe I have one question. We can discuss that. Let me see.
So why can't we consider gender as a Boolean? We can do that if it is then true. So Boolean also right under the data type
Boolean, like,
for
see, it
gender.
is basically the output. We can do as
Yeah.
a constraint. We can put some constraint so that no one can put either M or F. Apart from that, we can do that. But yeah. But for pseudocodes, yeah, we have to put the restriction if we are doing some real world application. But in this case, we cannot do that. Yeah.
And
So
another thing on mock subtype, why we can't consider division, sir? Because we are adding and for seeing the average, we are doing division, right? By
Sir, question number 3.
then why
no,
we
no.
can't
For
do the
integer, we
division?
can perform any arithmetic operator, not for other data types. Okay.
Sir,
So let me discuss one thing. Question 1 is clear for graded. I am not discussing solution, but
sir,
clear.
one question regarding character and string.
Okay. So we'll discuss this in the next session in detail. Okay. I will discuss
Excuse me,
examples
sir.
also. Difference between character and string. Is that fine?
Yes,
Tomorrow
sir.
4 to 6. Yeah, we can join. Yeah. We'll discuss with
Excuse me,
yes,
examples.
sir, please, sir.
Sir, activity
Thank you, sir.
assignment 9, sir, question number 1. Please discuss.
Sir, I
Sir,
have doubt
question
for
number
practice assignment, sir.
3, please.
Please wait.
Thank you, sir.
What, any doubt regarding the
Sir.
graded assignment? First, I will
Yes,
take
sir.
that only.
No, sir.
Sir, question
No,
number 3,
sir,
please.
no, sir.
Yeah. Question number 3. Please wait.
Hi,
Yeah.
sir. I am
Question
audible. Yes, sir.
Just
Question number
wait.
3, sir.
Yes, wait. Okay. What is your doubt here? Tell me.
Sir, here is not in the decision makings. Here is not mentioned about the gold medal, sir. Can you check the options?
Where medal equals to gold, na? You also won the gold medal. Gold medal already mentioned the gold medal every option.
1 minute, sir. Let me check my questions.
Okay. Any other doubt from graded assignment? Any you didn't
Sir,
understand?
sir,
Yes, sir.
in
You
this
can
question,
understand
sir,
this.
in the same question, there is written nationality exclamation mark equals to China. It means nationality not China. Na?
Not equal
Not
to
China.
China.
Not China. Yes.
Sir,
Okay,
question
thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Question 3 is clear. Question 4 is clear.
Option C is correct.
Yes, sir.
Don't
11.
discuss this question. Okay. If you discuss this, it will be a violation. So don't discuss graded assignment in the live session. After deadline only you can discuss. There are a few rules that you have to follow. Okay.
Hi, sir.
Sir, can you clear activity questions, sir, please?
Yes, I will come to that. So for this question number 9, I can understand there is some ambiguity. For this, you need to select the wrong line. Okay. Wrong sanity of data. So that is the case. Now in this case, I think most of the questions are clear. Yeah. Now, anyone having graded assignment out? Just wait
Yes,
a minute.
sir.
Just tell
Hello,
me.
sir. I am audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, in question number 3, sir, in the decision making, sir, here is a step 3 mentioned that we have not about the gold medal, sir. Here is mentioned about the gender and nationality, sir.
Medal is also mentioned here, and medal equals to gold. So please check the question carefully.
What means? Sir, I have doubts, sir. Practice assignment, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
the numeric
sir.
one
Sir,
question.
पढ़ा करो.
Sir, activity
Yes.
questions, sir. We have next class also of that. So please,
Okay.
can you do it?
So graded assignment is fine. Which activity?
Sir,
Sir,
practice
activity
assignment.
1.7,
Just one. Activity 1.
question number 4.
Oh, the activity 1.7, question number 4. We can take your doubt in the next session, not an issue, but yeah. Yeah. So which question number 4, right?
Yes, sir. I am not able to understand the meaning of constraint like this. not able to understand the question only.
Static session
No,
is
no.
open.
Constraint is basically what I have discussed in the previous example. Like I have taken one table, student table, a name, age, and the department. Right? You was there while I explained that.
Yes,
So we are
sir.
constraining the value of age. That age data type is integer. So I cannot put any other string, any other character inside the age column. The whatever the values I can put inside the age column, that must be an integer. It should satisfy the data type, right? Similarly, I cannot put the numbers inside the name because name is not an integer if I unless use the single double quotation, right? Because age is an integer data type, so we cannot insert any string or any character. So variable data type does constrain the operation, right? So we're constraining the age variable, so not variable. We're constraining the age, that particular column, that it should not allow to enter any other data types like string or character, right? We should only enter the integer value inside the age attribute or column. So we are constraining that particular column, right? So this option is false. This is false, right? We can
Okay, sir.
constrain the operations.
That means we are limiting it, no? So that
Yes,
means we
we
are
are
limiting it.
limiting it.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Just 1 minute. Yeah. Yes. Next question.
Practice assignment.
Sir, activity
So,
assignment
and
9, sir.
activity 1.9, question number 1.
Okay,
Sir,
I will
discuss
I will
activity
go.
assignment 9.
Okay, just a minute. Now 10 hands are there only. Now I will go one by one. So Shubhi, yes. Shubhi.
Sir, activity 1.9, question number 1.
Okay.
Like how to solve
1.9,
it.
question number 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. This is my doubt also, sir.
Okay. So what are the basic data types that we come across this lecture? Okay. We have discussed Boolean integer
No, sir,
character.
it is not. No, sir. 1.9. Just a second.
Activity
Yeah, you
9,
can
sir.
continue the question, sir.
It's not like
1.9
it. It
only,
was
na?
like
Yes, sir.
15th
Yes, sir.
August.
Yes, sir.
I have also some issues, sir. Sir, I have also some
Sir,
issues.
click
Sir.
on it, sir. Sir, activity
just a
1.
minute.
Sir, open, sir. Sir, my problem, sir. Open my problem, sir.
Just a minute.
Sir, pass, sir. Pass, sir. Sir, please, sir.
Yes, sir.
Who
That
is
question.
Yes, sir. Question number first.
Okay,
Yes,
let
sir.
me discuss this, then I will come back to that who is was speaking. If date is transformed into subtype of integer data type using method mentioned in the lecture, what would be the value of 15th August in a non-leap year? So for that, like we don't have time to explain in detail, but I will suggest you can just scroll down. In this particular PDF, I have given the example like how to convert the date into a sub data type. Okay, just follow that. It's in the last page, page number 4. Anyway, we are going to discuss it tomorrow, but just follow that. We'll be able to answer this
So
particular
where?
problem.
So where?
You can just scroll down. You can just scroll down. Brief summary of
as a
each
0.
one. Yes. So I have.
So basically, we have to perform like we have to think and then we have
Sir,
to write count.
statistics
Yes,
So it will
yes.
be too lengthy now. So it will be too
No, no.
lengthy. So
Yes, but we have time. It's activity question, not we are not giving exam, so we have time, right? So don't worry
okay.
about that.
So sir, do
In
these type of questions come like in paper qualifier
no,
paper because
we will make sure that. We'll make sure that. Don't worry.
okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes,
sir.
Arjun. Yes, go ahead. Arjun. Okay. Omkar, go ahead. Okay. Anyone? Any doubt? Yes.
Sir, how AI is an integer?
Sir, just a second.
So that's called the basically population. So I can take a picture.
I'm audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, what about those questions?
Sir, I have doubt in this lecture transformation of sub data types. I have doubts, sir, in this lecture.
Yeah, we'll discuss this in detail in tomorrow's session. Okay, don't worry about it. With the help of examples.
Question number
Activity
Thank you,
question
sir.
1.8.
Wait, activity 1.8. 1.8.
Tomorrow's
Okay.
session is solved
Question
with
number 1.
4 to 6. 4 to 6. 1.8 na?
Yes, sir.
Which question?
1.
1. Okay. So consider sequence number as a subtype of integer data type. Which of the following operations on a variable, the sequence data type, seems reasonable? So yes, tell me. Because the same thing I have given explained in this particular PDF file. Same example is there. Just go through it. Okay, you will be able to answer the questions.
Sir, graded assignment, question number 9.
Grade assignment we cannot discuss, but question number 9, that's sanity of data, right?
Yes, sir.
So you
Sir,
have to
I have
select the wrong line, which is not satisfying my data set. Okay, the wrong option you have to select.
So
I
the
cannot
last
discuss it further. Yes,
Last
go
question
ahead.
of mine. 1.7 question number 3. Last question only.
1.7 question number 3. Okay, in this course data
Sir,
set, what
sir,
is
I
data type and
understand
the
the
variable?
question
Huh.
and my answers are also correct. But I am saying that key, if it is mentioned that key, what is the data for the scores data set? Like what is the data type
No, no,
we can
what is
use?
the data type of variable used to store the physics marks, right? Physics
Yes,
marks is
sir.
what? Integer, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So then integer only, na. We cannot use character to store the marks. We cannot use
So, but
boolean to
we
store
can
the marks.
compare also. Okay, for addition.
Yeah. Our data type variable used to store physics marks of a student. So physics marks is basically integer only, na. So yeah.
Yes, sir. So we have to add, no? Like storing here means adding.
Now storing here means no. If suppose a equals to 0, then we suppose physics marks we want to find out, so we can replace 0 by that particular physics marks, right?
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. So yes, Omkar, Pravesh, Fatima, Shivansh, any question? Satyakala.
Sir, please explain the question graded assignment 10.
Graded assignment 10.
Question
What is your name? Can you?
My name is Vishnu Kumar, sir.
Okay, Vishnu. Yeah. Question number 10, right?
Only describe the question.
Yes, yes, because we cannot discuss that. Let me just wait a minute. Question number 10. Okay. Don't do annotation. Who are doing? Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, sir.
No, no. Let me discuss question number 10. Vishnu is there?
Yes, sir.
What is your doubt in this question?
I did not get the diamond box. What is
Diamond box is basically a decision making. Either it is true or either it is false value. If
Oh,
more
sir,
cards in
second
file,
one.
second one, this one.
Yes, sir.
Is the customer name is Akshaya? If the name of a customer is Akshaya, if yes, then
It's a
only we'll
shopping bill
update.
data set.
Yeah, shopping bill data set. Nah. Then you can just go to shopping bill data set. Here you can
Yes,
see
sir.
shopping bill data sets. For that you don't need to go through, but I'm just saying that. Here you can see customer name is Sudeep here. So you need to find out the card of customer Akshaya. Okay.
Akshaya, yes.
Yeah, Akshaya,
Yes.
you already got this, right?
Yes.
So just follow that. What is the condition then? If yes, then you have to update this. Okay. I will not discuss, but yeah, that's the thing.
So here we will update the Akshaya high maximum marks or the Akshaya, if there are three
I
bills.
don't know. I
We will
don't know
just
about
add
this.
them.
I don't know.
Okay,
It's
sir.
graded question. Yeah.
Sir, there is
And
a
remember
numeric
one
one
thing, there
question.
can be a multiple customer having same name, right?
Sir,
So that thing also you
Akshaya
can.
total bill amount added now.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I will not discuss that. Yeah. Okay.
Sir,
So
there's a
that's thing
question
for
which is
graded.
numeric. Can you just explain that?
Which one is numeric? Question number
3, sir. Sir, what about sir activity assignment 9, sir? Question number
Yes,
1.
yes, I am coming to that.
Sir, I
Any
think sixth question.
graded one only, na?
Sir?
Graded assignment, na? This one. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So here arrange card, the amount bill, the total. Yes, you have to enter the value of A. So for this, you need to spend time because you need to go to the shopping bills data set. Okay. So you need to count, you need to do manual work here, something. That's the only thing, but yeah, you can try it out.
Sir?
You have to put the integer value only. Okay. In the, yes, that's why it will validate. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, the question is not getting understood.
No, no, simple. You follow this, whatever, what is the A at the end of execution of this particular step 6?
Sir, step 5 is not understood.
Sir,
Greater
why
than A,
question
then
number 10
store
is
the value of A. Yes, I will come to you. Yeah, just a second. Okay, so
Sir,
just go through it. It's nothing like that.
Sir, describe step 5, please.
No, no, it's a graded question. It's nothing in that if I describe it. Okay. So please try to solve. Okay, don't worry.
Okay, sir,
Yes,
thank you.
yes. Who is next asking something?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, why question number 9 is wrong?
9 is not wrong.
Sir, graded
Here you have to select the sanity of data means, okay, which data is violating my particular data types, or you can say a structure. So you have to select which one is violating. So which one is wrong that I cannot put like that. So that thing, that option you have to select. Incorrect line, right?
Yes, sir, you explained it.
So, but
Yes.
sanity of data, I think it means कि कौन सा सही है. So I want you to clarify
No,
that.
you can resubmit it, or I will do one thing. Tomorrow I will just add here that incorrect options you have to select. Okay. I will add
Okay,
one more
sir.
condition note here.
Thank you.
Don't worry. Question number 9, I will add. I will specify that directly. Okay. So any question? Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello,
Yes.
sir. Sir, give more example about character and sanity data set. The difference in difference, sir. I don't get it. This.
Sanity of data is different, but character
No, no,
is
no, no,
basic.
no, 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 no.
Then?
String and character data. Sorry, sir. String and
String-
character difference.
Okay. Okay. So suppose if I'm mentioning, say Piyush in a single quotation or double
Single
quotation. So
quotation
we
means, sir?
represent single quotation like this, where it happens upon. This is double quotation, right?
1 comma.
So have you gone through this summary? That's what I'm saying. Anyway, we are going to discuss in detail in tomorrow's session, but just go through this particular summary. If you just go through these 4 pages, your doubt will be get clear. Okay, nothing in that. Just 4 pages PDF is there, and here you
Yes,
can
sir.
also discuss scene, right? So what is different between characters and strings? You can see that. Okay, character, data type, string. So that's the
Yes,
case.
sir.
So here you can see we are mentioning in a single quotation.
Single
or-
quotation. Oh, sir.
yeah, this is single.
I
quotation.
get this. Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Sir,
And
and
string
doubt
data type, you can see double
activity.
quotation, right?
Okay,
Yeah.
sir.
Yes.
And activity
Activity
1.7, 1.7, question number 4.
1.7, na?
Question number 4.
Okay, sorry.
So,
Activity 1.7.
can you explain the list and records?
We'll explain it
Yes.
tomorrow because I want to explain in detail, so it will take time. We don't have time now. Many students left the meeting also, na? Yeah.
Question
Which
number
question?
four.
Yes, sir.
Four, four.
300.
Just a minute. Which question? I didn't get.
4.
Okay, I already discussed this. So here, a variable data type does not constrain the operation that can be performed on it. So if you was present during the initial part, I have taken one example: name, age, and department, and age is having the integer data type, right? So what it will
Yes, sir.
ensure that I cannot insert any value other than integers in that particular age. I cannot insert I cannot insert any particular student's name. I can only insert the numbers in that age column. That is why we are mentioning age data type. Sorry, data type as integer.
Sir,
So
in
we are
particular data
constraining
type,
it.
sir, in particular data type, we insert that particular type of operation.
Yes. Suppose I
Absolutely.
mention say name having the string data type. So I can only enter string data types. I cannot enter integer value, right? If I mention age as an integer data type, so I can only enter
Only
the
integer.
numbers. Yes. I cannot
Numbers.
enter the yes. So we're putting some constraint, right? We're putting some a limit. Constraint is basically a limit only. So we are putting the limit. We cannot enter any other value apart from these integers. So this statement is basically false, right? So we can put the constraint. So option is false.
Sir?
Okay.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, activity assignment and question number 1, sir. Please take it,
Wait.
sir.
Question number 1, which activity?
Sir, 1.9, sir.
1.9, question number 1. Okay.
Yes, sir.
1.9, question number 1. Okay, so for that, please go through this particular summary PDF, or tomorrow I will explain. Okay, we can
Sir?
explain this. Everything is mentioned by step. Just follow this
Sir, you
particular thing.
explain it tomorrow. Sir, you explain it
Yes.
tomorrow.
Sir,
Yes, tomorrow we
explain
have session. So
all
tomorrow we'll
with
discuss
one
about
summary.
data type and this particular thing. Okay.
Okay.
Sir?
Satya sir will be there, but we'll discuss this. Yes. Huh?
Sir, what
Okay,
is
sir, bye.
sanity of data, sir?
What is?
Sanity of data.
Sanity of data means whether my data set
Okay.
structure is
Incorrect data.
no. Sanity of data means we are verifying whether my data set structure is correctly following, or whether we are not violating it or not. For example, discuss like what I discussed, like in the age, if we are having integer data type, so we cannot insert any say for example string value in that, right? And suppose if we are having 3 columns, physics, chemistry, marks, and total is the 4th column. So if we are adding physics, chemistry, marks in that in total, but if that total is not equal to my addition of 3 subjects, then it will violate my sanity of data, because the total should be the summation of those 3 subjects, right?
Yes, sir.
So that will also that you have to see the first data type, simple data set template, and then you have to come back to the question. Directly you cannot solve that question. So whatever the data set you have mentioned, first go through the data type, data set, sorry, and then you can solve that question. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, next, anyone?
The graded assessment question. Explain this question. You are showing second this question.
Transforming data type, we'll explain it in detail tomorrow's session. Don't worry. But here you can see we have discussed, like I have already mentioned the summary, so you can just go through it. Otherwise, we'll discuss it tomorrow because it will take time to discuss. Okay. Yeah, Vishnu, don't stop. Don't do annotation. Any doubt?
Sir, this question, this.
Yes, yes, we are going to discuss it tomorrow. Like this topic we're going to discuss. Okay. So
Okay,
for
sir.
transforming marks into sub type data type using the steps mentioned in the lecture, that would result into the operation print. Okay.
Hello, sir.
So if you
Sir.
follow this particular PDF, same thing we have mentioned. Just follow this and then try to apply the concept in the in this particular question. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah. Otherwise we'll discuss it tomorrow.
So
Yes.
activity 1.10 question number 3.
Activity 1.10 question number 3.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, is
So I
there
doing
any
characters,
notes
but
provided by?
Just a minute. Who asked this question? Yeah, he can go first.
yes, sir. Sir, ये integer and booleans I may confuse.
No. Integer is basically a value, right? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
0,
yeah,
minus 1,
yeah.
minus 2. Boolean is basically true, false,
Compare.
yes or no. Right. So we can compare the Boolean
Yes.
value only. So here, what is the question? The record word in para has
Word
4
para.
fields, have 4 different data types, but all of them have been derived certain basic data types. Which of the following basic data types have been used? Right.
Yes.
But all of them have been derived from certain basic data types. So yeah, what was
Character,
your
characters are it's okay character, but I don't get.
So,
I don't
but
get
all of them has been
integer.
derived from the certain basic data types, right?
Hmm.
So character also, if you just
Characters
go
are
through
no
this,
doubt in character, but integer, sir. Where integer in word data set? Oh. So number. Counting.
Yeah, range, right? Yeah. If we have integer data type, the sub data types are sequence, range, right? Vanjika, don't do annotation. Just a minute. If you have any doubt, you can directly ask.
So
I will
in
stop this
count.
feature. I will not able to, but next session will stop. Yes, anyone?
So
List is a collection of same data types, same elements, or of the same data type or different data types. You can also do in a list.
Like list in this particular thing, like in the context of what you are asking.
I'm
not
asking
able to
about
get.
the list and records. Like those where list is a collection of same data types or different data types can also be possible in list.
No. List is a collection of different data types also. Here you can see we have mentioned that list, yeah, of same or maybe different data types, right? So just go through this 4-page PDF. You can solve any question.
Yeah, I've gone through this, but if we are taking the marks or something or any example of list which is having the different data types in the same list or one
Yeah, you
list.
can see this is integer, this is string, this is character, this is string,
yeah.
this is string, this is
Okay,
all are
and then all
integer, right?
integers.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's clear
Yeah.
now.
Okay, any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, so we'll discuss data type like string and character difference and transformation of sub data type in the tomorrow's session. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye
Thank
bye.
you, sir.
And
Bye-bye.
please follow the rules. You cannot discuss the graded assignment questions, and yeah, you have to ask question one by one. And I will stop this feature of annotation. I don't know how to do that. I will take help from operation team. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thanks, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
स्टैटिस्टिक्स 1 का कभी चालू है